much naming you do. Hello. Hello. Welcome in, everybody. Rancor, thank you for that gifted sub. Oh my goodness, to Sam, the one and only Neutral Galaxy. Oh my god, thank you so much, sir. Appreciate that so much. Welcome in, everybody. Happy Sunday. Oh, okay. Hi, Fritz. Hi, everybody. Hi, Simu. Hi, Luna. Hi, Cal. Hi, Gizmo. Hi, Eggy. Oh my god. Hi, Rancor. Hi. Who else we got here? We got Clown. We got Jocone. Welcome in. How are we doing today? It's Sunday, baby. It's fucking Sunday. I'm excited. I'm excited to play Observation. Hi, Johnny. You should go to bed. I mean, it is Sunday. I know, Cal. I saw that the other day. Isn't that's so cool? What the hell, brother?
Huh?
How is everybody? How are we all doing on this fine ass weekend? Good evening. Oh my god. Hi, Zed. Hello. All right, let's get over here. Let's get down to business, okay, chat? Hello. Hello, good evening. How's everybody's weekend? Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Did anybody get any Black Friday deals? I sure didn't, because I don't know if you've noticed, but Black Friday has been shitty this year, and probably the last few years, but we're noticing it more now. There's no deals. It's not like it used to be. People aren't killing each other over Black Friday anymore. Have you noticed that? It's bad! It's really bad! Oh, so I don't think I got like any good deals. I know, okay, you know what? As opposed to like Steam, that's a little different. But items? Normal items? Nar.
Wow!
Wow! Hi, Blog! And Bear, what's up, Sid? Is Dylan here? Yeah, Dylan's beside me. You have a question for him. Hey, Dylan. Dylan!
What?
Someone's got a question for you.
Okay. What? Let me jump in.
Bear, what's up? Can we have a big shout for Blanc? Can we give Blanc the big one? How you guys doing? Bijou is Bijou the Octo. But Bijou, you will always be the Dumbo in my heart, okay? Can we have a big shout for Bijou too? Oh my god, welcome in, everybody! What's up? I am rapidly approaching you guys. I always am. Dylan is here. He's here. Blanc, you have a good weekend? Oh my gosh. Let's see. No children are being trampled. It sucks. No one's dying! Hi, Dr. Brown! It's because people snipe shit online for delivery. That's true. That's true. The deals used to be so good. No, exactly. That's what I was just saying. People used to kill each other over Black Friday. Oh. Wait, ask him if he wants a beaver named after him. What do you mean a beaver? He's in chat. He's in chat. What's the context over that? That's what I've seen. Everyone gets their football TV, PlayStation, order online for delivery, no longer battle royale. You know what? That's smarter. That is smarter. Work smarter, not harder. No one's dying. Dr. Brown, how you doing tonight? Welcome in. Yes, I changed my name because too many people thought I was. Aww, Bijou, that's silly. I understand. I understand that, but hey, understandable. Understand. You'll always be the Dumbo in my heart. Jason! Hi, everybody! Welcome in! What's up? 0 casualties! Jurassic Ray! Jason! Welcome in, everybody! Hi, gamers! Hello! Hi, Mason! Jason, thank you so much for the raid. I'm so grateful. Welcome in, everybody. We starting this stream off with some hype. Let's get some dance emotes in chat, and y'all know what to expect. Y'all already know.
Let me tell you.
See, I'm something of a magician, inventor, and chocolate maker. So quiet up and listen down. Nope, scratch that. Reverse it.
Oh my god. Jason! Jason! I am a Lib bestie. Yes! Me and Lib are actually gonna be collabing tomorrow. Oh! Wise, thank you for the biddies. Thank you for the Ray. Give me a big shout out for Jason, please. What were you guys up to today? Welcome in. Guess we're swimming at the sharks. You guys, actually, so since Jason's in chat right now, I need to show you guys something very special. So if you remember from the subathon back in June, the topmost gifter would get their very own stream avatar in the chat. Well, I am happy to announce and show everybody that we have the Jason avatar. It is real! So this is Jason's OC. It's a little cat squid. Octopus? Squid? I don't know, it's super cute as fuck though. So Glacial made Jason their very own avatar for my chat because he was the top gifter from the subathon. And he's real! There he is! Watch out, he has a gun. He fights with a gun. Ow!
Oh, the Sharky. Everybody wants to pat the Sharky.
Oh, thank you for the biddies! You're playing Team Mutant Ninja Turtles Shredder's Revenge? Fuck yeah! Well, I hope you had a good time. That's awesome. That's awesome. But welcome in. We're just getting started, as you probably know. We're talking about Black Friday deals, and if anybody, I don't know, got anything good. I just got some good Steam sales, but that's different. That's different. Good night, Good night, Johnny. Thank you for chilling. Thank you for chilling with me. Okay, sweet. Thank you for having a good have a good eep. Have a good eeps. Sibo, thank you for those biddies. Appreciate it. And Weiss, thank you for the Willy Wonka biddies. There's so much happening. As my friend, I'm good at finding critters. Apparently I'm a Disney princess or something. Ayo. Ayo. Yes, Mason, welcome in. I am a good pal of Lib. I love Liberty. Lib actually just celebrated their birthday yesterday. And literally, like I said, tomorrow, me and Lib are collabing here on the channel, and we're playing Raft. We're playing silly Raft game. It's gonna be silly. I bought way too many Steam games. I'm not gonna. I know, Blanc. That's what happens. Unfortunately, like some of the games I wanted to buy weren't on sale, which is kind of like silly.
Huh?
But I'll wait until Christmas, if anything, you know. I did buy a few DLCs, which is fun. It's gonna be fun. I bought a few DLCs for some stuff, which is nice. Black Friday's crazy while in America. I went to the grocery store and a woman hit. What?
Huh?
I was just telling the chat, like we were just talking about how it's not as crazy as it used to be. There's no casualties anymore. Nobody's dying. Nobody's getting trampled. But it's just because online shopping is just so much of a thing now that it doesn't even like really do anything. Ayo. Ayo. Yeah, I didn't see anything. I think I got you know what I bought on a Black Friday deal, you guys? You know what I fucking bought? I bought a cat toy. That's it. That's all I got. That's all there was. I bought a cat toy for like $6 and it's actually pretty good. But that's all I got. I didn't really go out Christmas shopping. Not yet anyway. I don't know. I don't have lists from all my family members. He does deserve it. And you know what's great about this toy? It's like a little enrichment toy. So you put treats in it. You put like treats or like food. Hey yo! Fun time, Lanny? Welcome in! Thank you for the follow! Did you get any good Black Friday deals? Oh yeah, but the cat toy I got, it's like a little cat enrichment toy. So you put the food or you put treats in it and he has to like roll the ball around in a specific way for them to fall out of the ball. So I'm like, this is great. You know, Herman, all he does is sleep. And that's it. So, I want to get his mind enriched, you know, sometimes. So it's great. It's a good little toy. Christmas gift for Herman. Well, not really. I already gave it to him. I already gave it to him, but that's okay. That's all right. Ooh, man, we have a busy week coming up, you guys. You don't know what the schedule is yet, but let me tell you, I'm going to be doing 4 different things next week. One of them not on my channel, but the rest all on my channel. But I'm going to be
Sending 1 pound of catnip your way, mother.
Uh-oh. Is this going to be the new dirt trend? Just a giant bag of catnip? Could you imagine? Nemi, thank you for the lurk. Appreciate you. Early Christmas gift. Early Christmas. Speaking of Christmas, you guys, I want to start opening throne gifts. I want to start opening throne gifts on stream. So whenever I do get a throne gift, I'm going to kind of save them. So if you didn't want to check out my throne, feel free. I got a lot of stuff on there, so lots of options. But I do want to do like a throne gift opening stream. I think that would be really cute. So we'll try and accumulate some stuff probably around Christmas. We'll see. We'll see if it happens. By the way, you guys, we did reach the sub goal last stream. It's Tuesday, right? We're doing the pinball stream coming up on Thursday. It's gonna be huge. I have like 4 different games lined up, including yours truly, Space Cadet Pinball. So it's gonna be a good time. I'm really excited. And we're playing Observation tonight. So we are starting on hard mode. We've beat all of the maps on regular, and we're in this together, you guys. We're doing hard mode, and there's some brand new achievements. Also, brand new intruders. Brand new intruders. And I'm scared. So we'll see. We'll see. Back in Korea now, I feel like people are suspiciously more nice here. Mason, I don't doubt that. I do not doubt that for a second. I'm Canadian, and I believe it. Why? So are you hiding behind Germa up there? Are you hiding behind Germa? What are you doing up here? Well, I know what you're doing up here, but you're hiding behind him. Sir? I see you. An older, but it checks out. Yeah. I hope everyone did have a good weekend. It's, can you believe it's October? What the f- I need to slow down. Can you believe it's December next week?
Maybe a bigger man?
Maybe! Can you believe it, guys? Can you believe it, guys? October! Just a week away! December! It's gonna be Christmas, like, before I know it. Before I even know it, but we're gonna have... Ow!
Bigger man. Bigger man.
I don't think he can get much bigger. Can we get much higher? Just a week away! Okay, we need to do the prediction real quick, because you guys are gonna be mad at me. I had an extra option today for the prediction, and there was a reason for it. I indeed have both. I have both today. So if you voted both, congratulations on that one. I have a coffee right now, and it's honestly kind of, it's okay. It's gonna be Christmas, and I'm not ready. I know! I know! Blanc, that would be so smart. That would be so smart. Just like, you know, fill up the list. Fill it up, and then you get your chat to buy your dad gifts. It's actually not Blancmas, it's Blanc's dad's miss. I can hear Mariah Carey. Oh, Mariah Carey has been long thought out. She's on the run. She's escaped containment like a month ago. She's out there. She's out there. Man, I'm not ready for Christmas, but at the same time, I am, because I take a lot of Christmas time off for streaming, so I'll have time. But just like, it's coming up. It's coming up so fast. I thought this month and then like the next month coming up would be like my slow months, being like, I'm gonna chill, you know, take the bench a little more for activities and collabs. No, honey, I've been busy. I literally have a list. I have this sticky note, you can hear it. I have this sticky note, and it has 4 different collabs on it that I still have to do. Luckily, one of them is tomorrow, and the other one is the end of the week. But like, shit! I need to calm down. I need to learn how to say no.
Huh?
Actually, no, I'm excited to do all of these. I'm excited to do them all. So it should be okay. Is my mouth tracking funky? I think it is. Hold on, I'm gonna recalibrate. My birthday's almost... Oh, birthday moment! I love birthdays.
All I want for Christmas is... I is... Dirt.
Dire. Dire. Damn. Maury, how did you learn how to sing like that? He's got a voice of an angel. Oh, so we have some fun pinball games coming up. Why is my model all whacked today? Hold on. She whacked today. There we go. A-chan! A-chan in chat. What's up, bestie? What's up, gamer? You'll be half 50? Yo, shakes your hand. Don't think of it like that. Don't think of it like that. I don't think of it like that. I still got the mind of like a fucking teenager, dude. That's the good way to think about it, though. Yeah, Biju's here, the whole squad. We chilling today. We're just about to get started. We're playing hard mode today, you guys. Yeah, Biju's Octo now. Bijou has some good reasoning behind it, but Bijou will always be the Dumbo in our hearts. Also, Bijou, I get why you would change it too, because Twitch is like silly like that and won't let you like use your name or use the reasoning in your bio. So, hi Kays, welcome in. Hello. How you doing today? How you doing? HM, we were just talking about Black Friday deals and how they're kind of shitty this year. Well, they're shitty. They're like just shitty they're just shitty in general now. They're shitty in general. So like, nobody died, no casualties. Like what? Brother? Huh? Kind of boring. You remember when you got like the news alerts? Like back in like 2010, you'd be like sitting at home with your parents and you'd be watching the news being like, there have been there have been 3 casualties at the Sports Center Mall. And you just see these mounds of people. I have the mind of a child as well, slay. Yeah, that's a good way to think about it. It's a good way to think about it. Thank you for sharing, A-chan! Saying certain ages are old only makes other people feel kind of shit. And you'll set yourself up for having a crisis. Yeah. oh, fact. Black Friday, my butt hated. Yeah. Yes, I haven't been into observing doing games like that I used to. Must be a phase. That's fair. I want to try the hard mode and see how actually hard it is. So we're gonna get into it. I have a new playlist going today, and it's so cute. So I hope I don't get copywritten. I hope not. I guess we'll see. Oh. Now it's only employees dying on Black Friday. Yeah. Yes. Spoiler, it's hard. Ooh, I'm excited. Hi, Gail. Can we have a big shout out? Big shout out for Gail, please. Gail Glasdale. I'm sorry. I always like mix your name with Gailosa and Glasdale. Glasdale! Can we please get a big shout out for Glasdale, please? How you doing? Glasdale! Yeah! You listen to this? It's the music for animal cafes, right? Is that the one you were talking about too? That's the one I'm. Good, you're vibing? Fuck yeah! You guys should go follow Glasdale right now. They're very good artists. They're very cool. They're very chill. They do a lot of good art. They do a lot of good just in general. You should go follow. I almost wrote Gail because I'm sorry. Yeah. There's a few like GAL, GLA names I know. Yeah, no worries. I have a little snack here that I'm trying to finish. It's like, have you guys ever had these? I don't know what they're called. They're little like panda crackers with chocolate in the center. I just call them like koala munch or something. I don't know. They're good though. Yeah, they're good. These ones kind of taste like cardboard, and then the inside's fine, but it's good. It's pretty good. Hi, cat. Hello, pandas. That's right. That's pretty good. Not too bad. Cardboard, but good. Yeah, once you get the chocolate mixed in there, it's pretty good. As you can see, we have my little companion up here today. Actually, this is just my VTuber. A little brain worm. On my head. So, he's chilling today. Cat, how you doing? Welcome in. Model Inception. Yeah, I just keep zooming in, and then it just keeps revealing more and more models. No, I wish. The true VTuber pilot. Sharkside and Mecha. Yeah. Yeah, that could be sick. You should add a crab on the crab. How do... Okay, hold on. I don't even know if I'll be able to do that. I don't know how small I can get items. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're gonna try. I'm gonna watch as Cal gambles while we try this. Okay, one sec. Let's try and get a little guy. Let's try and make a... How is this gonna work? Succubus behind crab? I don't know. Oh god. How do I need to rotate that? Fuck! There. I need to like... Oh! Like that? Oh, it won't stick because this model isn't on my model. It won't stick. No! More! Maybe I can just make it have a sun. Is that fine? Is that okay? I can just put it beside him. I can't put on the shoe? I mean, maybe. Yeah, I could put it on the shoe. I'm glad I wasn't home on by Friday. That place I worked at Ted. Oh! Oh! Who got that? Oh, cat! Hell yeah. Okay, I'll put it on the shoe. One sec. Give me that. You can barely see it though. Hold on, I need to rotate it the other way. I need to rotate it the other way. He's so tiny, he looks like a little flea. There! Okay. You can't even see him! Cal. Cal is so cringe. What? First try? Damn. Cal is too cringe to mod? No, that's the perfect mod requirements. You have to be insanely cringe to be my mod. Oh man, I am happy that everyone's doing good today. It's Sunday, I'm excited. We, unfortunately, Nuke has not uploaded as far as I've seen today. I did check earlier today, there was no new Nuke upload. But you know who did upload? Project Fear. So we can just sit back and watch some Project Fear tonight. Boo! I know! Imagine having like a good upload schedule. Imagine! Let me just do another quick check here. Yeah, no new nukes, but we have a crab raid. Oh god. Hi, Anakin! Thank you for the crab! How you doing tonight? Welcome in. Yeah, so no new nukes video, but Project Fear. We can get silly and watch some Project Fear. They're entertaining. They're very entertaining. Let me just go to their YouTube, because I'm pretty sure they have, yeah, they have a brand new video. Orphanage of Horrors, our unexplainable night. It's an hour long, but we're probably not going to watch all of it. But we'll start it. We'll watch some of it. Maybe we'll finish the rest next week or something. I like the sound of that. I like the sound of that. Doing pretty good. Hey, pretty snazzy redeem. Isn't it nice? I like it. I think it's a really funny redeem with the silly models I have. It's pretty good. Grab. All right. Ooh, hold on. Oh! Wait, I just got a commission back. Hold on. I need to look at this. Why isn't my thing loading? Ow! They were the one biddy. Hiya, Juju! Inuju! Oh! Sam, you motherfucker. Let's get this stream started. God damn it! Hi, Sam. You guys should go follow Sam. He's so silly. Horse says he loves you. You're smelly. Good morning. Tell Horse he's gonna get something special in his mailbox. I'm trying to look at my commission, but they're not loading, and this is so sad. Pinball time, motherfucker! Okay, I guess so. Sam, how you doing tonight? My things aren't loading, so I can't even. I am Pinball! If you did not know, look, you can see me through the bumper. Look, it's my eyeball. Hello! It's me! Oh! Okay. Oh! Did you guys see Maury has a new drink today? Did you guys see Maury's got a new drink with him today? He's got a strawberry milkshake. He got a strawberry milkshake. So, by the way, you guys, if you did not know... If you did not know, we are doing a pinball stream next Thursday, and it's going to be only pinball games. And I'm very excited. I was feeling but I'm slowly turning around the bend. That's good to hear. You did get a gifted sub today.
Shark.
Thinking about sipping on that strawberry beat. Oh, me about Ellie. I love Ellie. I miss Ellie. I haven't talked to Ellie in a hot minute. That was so unfortunate. The timing. Bliss. Yeah, enjoy those emotes. I just lost all my bonus. Damn it. Also the sub commands and the emotes. All that good stuff. You when there's no internet in the early 2000s? Space Cadet! Literally one of my favorite games. I grew up on this game. I feel like a lot of us did. This is like the one game that my dad let me play when I was younger. No! Fuck. Oh, this is gonna be a short pinball game, and I'm not doing it on purpose, I promise. The bug game! Give me the bonus! There we go, we got a nice little bonus there. Factory Mac. I think I remember that one. I didn't grow up on like a Mac, but my school, my elementary school. Oh no! My elementary school had them. God, fuck, that was the worst score I've had in a hot minute. I clearly don't have the mind for pinball today. I'm sorry. You've never played the game? This game? Space Cadet? It's not too common anymore. A lot of people forgot about it. All right. Well, I want to see
LMFAO. Laughing my thin, absolutely obliterated mother.
Rude. Mason, thank you for the biddies. The little bits. It's pretty good. Yeah, right?
Oh yeah, dinosaur.
Hi, Robin. Wow, Sid, I can't believe you suck at pinball. Wow, it's like you're bad at pinball. Or wow, not my streamer. Then why are you here? Oh! God damn it. Yo, I just unlocked free follow emotes for my channel. Bijou, let's go! Those are fun. Now you just gotta get a bunch. Now you gotta get so many more emotes. You gotta get so many more emotes. Anything? Oh, I don't have my water bottle. I don't have my water bottle here. I just realized. It's okay. I'll drink coffee. All right, let's get started. Okay, hold on. I want to see if I can get these commissions up because they're not loading. Oh man, I got commissions back and I wanted to see them. Robin, how are you, bestie? It's good to see you. There's so many free slots. I know, Bijou, and you're gonna get 5 more animated emotes here soon too. So you gotta get ready. Hi, Key. Welcome in. How are you today? I'm in Twins, so probably won't be. Oh, that's fine, Mason. That is fine. We're chilling today. We're chilling. I love lurkers. We love the lurkers. Woohoo! I'm just gonna reply to this artist here. Even when, oops. Okay. We might be able to see this commission later once they re-upload them. Okay, you guys ready? Let's bring up our favorite music. Let's bring up our favorite music for today. I'll boot the game. So we are playing on hard mode. I don't know how much hard mode is hard mode. Let's see. Let's look at the hard mode patch. Added more stuff to each level. Some anomalies have been altered. Hard difficulty mode has been added. Hard difficulty contains new and difficult anomalies and as a punishment for too many false reports. That I don't like, but that's okay. And new achievements. Ooh. Thanks for the lurks, gamers. Hi, Robin. Robin, you just came in here and insulted me, but that's okay.
Favorite music? Wrong. Kitchen gun mother, duck.
Oh!
Kitchen is so hard to clean.
Look out!
New kitchen gun. Smells like new. from Kitchen Gun. Say goodbye.
Oh, I crashed! The game crashed. Okay, one sec. Vox, how you been? It's good to see you. Did you have a good Thanksgiving? I hope so. I'm Canadian, so I didn't have Thanksgiving. But I hope everyone who did had a good time. Okay, let's try and reboot the game. Oh, God damn it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh. Okay, we're good. We're gaming. We're gaming now. Let me get the music. Let me get the beats. The beats. Hi, Static. What's up, gamer? Love that guy. Can we get a shout out for Static too, please? Yeah, it was pretty good. Much better. You don't have COVID? Oh, slay. Me neither. Me neither. I had COVID 2 weeks ago. It was stinky. I'm glad you do not as well. Getting spooked? Hi. Hi, Illustrace. How are you? We're just getting started. Let's get it started in let's get it started in here. Okay, we're just getting the music for today for the game. From the certain stream with the Kitchen Gun. Kitchen Gun is my favorite! Oh yeah, I got it too. I feel like everyone I know got like COVID at the same time. Mine wasn't too bad. Did you lose your taste or anything like that? Because mine was only like a head cold and I was like super stuffy and like coughy. It was pretty gross. Anuju, thanks for lurkies. Appreciate it. Appreciate it so much. Thank you guys for the biddies and the stuff. Alright, we're just getting started. I do need to add that this game, our playthrough here is backseater friendly, so let me just quickly... It's gross! I'm just happy I didn't get it so bad. I didn't get it that bad. Thank goodness, but... I was bedridden for like 3 days, lost my sense of taste and smell! No! But you got it all back? You got it all back though? Oh my god, dude. That's like the worst of the worst. I'm so sorry that happened to you. I'm glad you're better. I'm glad you're better. Oh! Okay, let me grab... Taste is fine now, but smell is still weak. Oh! Well, I hope it does come back. I hope it fully comes back, because that sounds like it fucking sucks. I couldn't imagine what that'd be like, because I haven't had that happen to me. Not yet, knock on wood, and it won't. Project Zomboid looks like so much fun. Okay, reminder chat, if you see something, say something. We're all in this together. We're all in this together.
Not.
No. Let's put it right here. Right beside my little boy, my little crab. Because you don't have smell like other people. Yeah, you can't have smell and then you don't have the taste, but then you don't have taste because you can't smell. Yes. Yeah. Just of those who recovered fat. Yeah, mine wasn't that bad. I recovered after like about a week and a bit. I do still have a little bit of sniffles and whatnot. So that's all I got. Static, I hope you're doing so fine on this Sunday. I mean, those are no COVID symptoms. Oh, nice! Nice, we're just getting started. Okay, let me grab this. Sweet. Welcome in, everybody who are just coming in here. We're just getting started. Good timing, sir. Yeah, Blanc had COVID too. Literally so many. Okay, I just gotta check a message real quick. Oh! Guys, I got the commissions back. I got the commissions back. Okay, we'll check them out in a little bit. We'll check them out near the end of stream. But I just need to send a quick message. I'm just gonna do this real quick. I just had to message the artist because my commission wasn't loading. Not saying it was TwitchCon. Oh, it was most likely TwitchCon. I don't doubt that one bit. Let's see. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. You wanna see the pretty pictures? Yeah. Oh, by the way, you guys, I think I know what map we're gonna start on is because this map was very short-lived when we first played the game. Like, right off the bat. We're gonna start with the train. I really like the train level. Wait, is this roll? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Juju. I can't play this game without select music or I go insane. So we have the most peak music you can have. Okay, fine. I'll bring up the commissions. One sec. I'll bring them up. We'll view them together. Let me just grab them and put them in a browser. They're really pretty. They're really fucking pretty. They're really cute. Okay, I'm just gonna... Oh, they're fucking big. Okay. Alright. But you get the Phantasmies for the last hour. The last hour of like a 40-minute playthrough. Hi, Jet! Jet, not yet. We're just getting started. We're getting started in we're getting started in here. Actually, we're just about to look at some commissions that I got back, like really quickly, because the chat was asking. So I commissioned somebody from a server that does Nitro commissions. Cal, you will know them. You will know them. So we're just going to look at them really quickly. Robin, thanks for the lurks. You have a good night. So really quick, guys, here, we'll take a look together. I just got them back like right now. So I got 2 of them because that was the deal. You got 2. I got Sunny. I got my girl. I got Sunny. I got my little girl. Actually, I got one for Dylan too. I got one for Dylan too that I'm going to be actually showing him right now because he has no idea. Wait a second. Yes, it is. No, Cal, you got the wrong name. You got the wrong name. It's Tokonut. Tokonut in Koda's server. Yeah, my dumbass. That's okay. So we got Sunny. Isn't this gorgeous? The details, brother. And then we got one of Dylan's OCs, which I'm gonna show him right now. Del! You wanna come look at your commission I got back like right now? We're looking at them. Come here. No, I got yours.
Wait, what?
You're gonna react together.
What did you commission?
I think I told you, but I didn't tell you what.
Oh, okay.
Also, hi, Ika! I saw you come in here. Can we get a big shout out for Ika?
Who made it? Are they here?
No. They're from another server. Their name is Troconut. So I got one of Sunny. And okay, one sec, really quick.
Big baby.
Little big baby.
I like the blep.
And then boom.
Oh, Dusty boy.
We got Dusty!
Little Schnester.
So this is Dylan's OC, who's a cosmic wizard.
He's a Nebula mage.
Nebula
He's
mage.
essentially a ghost in a coat.
He's a ghost in a coat with a mask.
With a mask and a hat. Oh, look at the boy.
He's silly!
Duster's been on the mind as of late. Let's go. I did a little creative writing recently with him.
I know, Bijou, right?
Ah.
The boy. So I got those 2 from this one person doing Nitro raids. Their name is Troconut. I don't remember what their Twitter is, but
Thank you, baby.
yeah. So I got 2 of them because the deal was 2.
Whenever you
Yeah.
VOD, you do.
Burrito Nito.
Thank you, Vox. Right? I love the scrunkly fucking PNGs. Sea Party. Okay, literally Sea Party. Like, what's the word? Okay, hold on. I'm getting a call. Sea Party literally like twisted the VTuber PNG scene. It's so good. It's so silly. I like yours too, though. I love yours too with the wings. It's so silly. They're all so silly. I'm really excited to see all the new ones that she took in recently through VGen. I love seeing them all because they're all so different. Hi, Charlie. Hey, yo, Sish, what the fuck is up? Hi, Bree. We're just about to get a little spooky. How are you? Can we get a big shout out for Bree Beans, please? And Charlie. How you doing? All right, we're just getting started in here. All right, we're starting hard mode and we're doing train for experienced players. That's me, guys. Increase enemy difficulty, penalty for false reports. That's gonna be kind of swag. Not. I lied. Eek, of course. Oh, you're crocheting? What are you making? What you making today? A present for a boy? Oh my god. What is it? Is it a little plushie or something? That sounds cute as hell. All right, you guys, you ready to get started? This is hard mode. We got to be on our fullest focus abilities. Oh my god, Glacial! Oh my god, hey, yo. Where are my crocheters in chat? Guys, we're just getting started. It's hard mode time. I don't know what to expect here. Thank you for shutting up, Buppy. Love that guy. Love that guy! A little Cappy! A little Barbara! Oh, I'm so... Bree, can you show me when you're done? I'm excited to see. All right. Let's get to it, chat. Whoo! I'm going to reread the lore because it's been a while since we played this specific map. Because it's been a while. Just adjust that. Okay. Locals have reported large quantities of anomalous...
Wait. We're actually playing a video game? Here?
Hey!
That's ridiculous. I'm going to insist we stall for at least another 4 hours. We can do it, Mumphy.
Please, Mari! Please! Each button press to start the game takes me 20 minutes at least. At least! I know. It's a running gag we have here. It's either I'm actually playing the game or Dylan is. That's right, we haven't. We technically haven't. Locals have reported large quantities of anomalous events happening at this location. The epicenter seems to be a parked locomotive at the center of the railway station. A body was found inside the train. We have not yet been able to identify the body due to the extreme damage caused to it, but by what appears to have been a gigantic blunt instrument wielded with immense strength. Strange mumbling resembling no known language has been heard from the train. Numerous passengers have reported luggage disappearance, leaving the train with items they do not enter the train with. Yeah, of course you get to see. I sent a picture. Ooh, okay. I'll check after this. It's fine. A lot of streamers do this. Yeah, a lot of streamers don't actually play games at all, ever. Games? I don't know her. I would never get to my games. Don't feel bad. One day we will get to gaming for real. All right. Okay, we gotta focus. It's silly. We're being so silly. We gotta focus, chat. Oh! What's the game? Wait. Okay, I had to check my category. For some reason, I thought I left it on just chatting. That would have been hilarious. Hey, chat, stop! Please! Oh! You eat pizza? Okay, we're starting right now. Go. Oh, okay, there's a lot more stuff added here. Okay. Alright. There's a lot more in this map now. Oh, shit. What is that? So last time these images up here, they changed and I never noticed. They changed. Smile. World Smile Day. That's just me every day. I want to see the weird fucking guy. There was a really weird anomaly here.
Shark.
Pepsi Cola. Oh, there's so much more stuff here. That's literally what my mind is right now. That's all it's been since I started streaming. God. Damn it. Shoes. Okay, guys. I don't have my model on because I'm scrunkled right now, but just a reminder, if you see something, you can say it. Backseating is all good here today. Don't even worry about it. We have to make sure we really do report something or we get punished. We get the psh. They cut my paycheck. That's what they do. They're like, you're not getting paid enough. You shit. Ow! Oh, please. I want to see some funny little guys. You know? Some freaks. Yeah, what the fuck is that? Just kidding. Hello? Not the good kind. Nar. Bro.
All balls, here goes the boat gods smiting you again.
Thank you. Thank you, bestie. The abyss? In the bathroom? Bro, someone's conjuring up something in the shitter. God damn it. There's no focus here today. Am I missing the camera? God damn it! I'm trying! I'm trying! Gah. Germa train conductor? I don't feel safe. Nah, he's actually the anomaly. When can we get Germa in? Can someone mod Germa into an observation duty game? That'd actually be kind of slay. This game has mods, right? I feel like I'm already missing something, dude. Favorite combined
Chat has
Germa.
caused more anomalies than they have found.
That's true! Like something's off in dining? Maybe? Like, was this here? Like the food? Wait! These. The pictures. I literally just talked about them. Yes! Yeah! He's just like standing emoji man. Yeah. No, for real. It'd be real mean if they changed these like buttons.
This is by far.
That wasn't what I thought. Oh, maybe something else.
This is my favorite part.
They sure added a lot more to this map.
Best part.
It's kind of. I kind of wish they didn't.
Nice.
Nice. Nice. Good. Thank you, Sibo. Thank you, Breebies. We're not missing a camera though. Passenger, private, sleeping, dining. What's your favorite soda? I don't really drink soda like ever. It's something I've kind of put off. But if I do drink soda, I like a good ginger ale. And oh, sorry, I was saying. Hi, Cartoony! Hello, Matthew. Oh, what the fuck is this?
Mum, the rhyme in your walls, rah, rah.
Maury, that's just average behavior. You're like a little rat. Hi, guys. No, that's okay, Cartoony. Listen, Cartoony. Would you believe me if I said I literally just started playing the game? The first 50 minutes were me just bullshitting, okay? You're fine. You're fine, bestie. Hi, Falcon! Can we get a shout out for Falcon? How you doing? It's good to see you.
The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky.
Thank you. Yeah, I like ginger ale though. Ginger ale's good, or what else? What else kind of soda do I like? Can't remember. It's good to see you too. God bless. God bless. You make me blush. I went on a witch hunt for black cherry soda the other day, and I found little bottles. Little bottles. Do they not like make it anymore? Weird. I know that there's like ginger beer, ginger ale. Ginger beer, honestly, I get it. It's too spicy for me though. I'm like, I know it's like a stupid way to say it, but I don't like it. Dylan likes it a lot. Not a me thing. It is hard to find. I know you can find ginger beer in the international section of the superstores. Hi, Lilac. How you doing? Matthew, we're trying to focus here. This is not focus. We're doing hard mode and I feel like I'm failing. Oh, ginger ale. Was that always here? Was this orange thing? Ooh. Oh, this door's open. Hello? Close that shit! That's like the Harry Potter chocolate thing. Nice. Nice! Have fun, Bree! Have fun, Charlie! Thank you! Thank you, gamer! Good luck. Was this always open? I'm sending you a forehead kiss. Oh! Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Moscow mules are really good. That's what Dylan likes. Has that plant always been here? Has this plant always been here? Beat the crap out of the door. Yeah, absolutely kill it. Slay! Has this plant always been here? Ow, I just ate my own emote. Yeah? Okay, thank you. I'm starting to gaslight myself already. I'm already starting to go. The plant is, it is. Okay, we're switching back to my normal model. It's been enough. It's been enough. Should I put the spooky lighting on or no? Yeah, we'll put the other one on. We'll do this one. There we go. There's so much in this room now. There used to be like 2 things. Yahoo! Prince, when you like say that message, I can only think of that little emote that you have of yourself. Like the little bunny like levitating. I like that one. It's really funny. Wahoo! Wee! Okay. Oh! Which one? The one where the rabbit is like levitating. Hi, nickname. Hi. Yeah, that one. I'm not late, I swear. That's okay. Oh. Guys, look at the cups. Wait, look at them. How many? More. Aw, I thought it would do more.
Are you listening to me? Are you listening?
Dynalove, hi! Oh. Why is German making me lag? That's okay. Honestly, understandable. Can we get a shout out? Can we get a big shout out for Dynalope, please? How are you?
Fill the room with cups, mother.
I gotta do the cup song. I got my ticket for the long way round. To buy whiskey for the way. I'm good, how are you? I'm fucking going through it. In a good way. In a good way. We're trying out the hard mode of this game. Am I missing a map? We're trying out hard mode for the first time. It's been okay so far. Like, I don't see... Dine car... Washroom. Okay, we're good.
One train, 1,734 cups.
German HD? No, you can never catch German HD. He's just a fucking cryptid like that. I wish the cups kept multiplying. I get why they didn't, but I wish they did. Of course, of course. Funny you say that. I may be multitasking and making a little Prince emote for my own. Oh, let's go. I love meme emotes. Cup ASMR. It really was. Those were some good sounds. There's some good sounds. I wanted the infinite cup. I feel like they could have just kept adding the train. Obviously that would be too difficult though, but I guess. I guess. There is another game, like another Hello? Another observation game that does that? Bro. Someone's cooking in there. When I hear the cup, huh? I'm just gonna report that normally. When I hear the cups, all I think is the cockatoo scream. I love that video. Or it's like that one bird that just goes cup and metal, cup, plastic, glass, cups at an impossible value. Apollo? Yeah, is that his name? Glass. Rock. Metal. Oh, I love that fucking guy. Shrock. Wario. Paper. Metal. Glass. Wait, he says Wario now? Oh, good for him. Good for him.
I remember when I learned to say Wario.
Something extra? What's extra? What is it? I don't want to get... Is it the toilet paper?
Hello.
Oh! No! What's extra in here? I can't report too much or I'll get in trouble. My manager will cut my pay! I love that bird. He's so silly, and what about it? Oh, I love that emote. I love that Wario emote. Is this sandwich different? I think it is. This sandwich looking mad yucky. Nice! I was right. Now it's an egg salad sandwich. Someone scooped out all the egg salad. Okay. Oh, it's okay, Kaze. No, don't worry about it. We just gotta remember that we're on hard mode, and if we do like report a wrong thing, we could get penalized for it. Oh, that's new. Someone ordered a Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola.
What are you gonna pour it in?
What do you mean? A glass. God, fucking damn it. Can you buy stuff with the money you make in game? Oh, there's no currency in here. There's no currency, Bijou. What are you seeing as currency? Because this is the time. Took my sleep meds early. Understandable. Your payment is survive.
This kitchen is so hard to clean.
Yeah.
If only there was an easier way.
Yo, driven to chaos. That's how I'm feeling right now. Welcome in. How are you?
I love you, kitchen gun. Just 3 shots from kitchen gun. Say goodbye. Yeah, all clean again. Struggles like new.
They were the biddies. That's para eyes.
Dark.
Wait, where? Were you saying cut my pay? Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's also what. Ew. Anyway, there's a creature. There's a creature in the. We're good. There's a little freak in there. I have kitchen gun on loop many times. Christy thinks I'm insane. Like the whole song. It's understandable though, Vox. It's really understandable. Oh, you can't see it! Just a little shorg. Yeah, that's me. I love that song. It's a good edit. Remember the guy who was like taking a shit here last time? Maybe he'll show up again. Maybe he'll show up again. Maybe. I scrolled down to your TikTok and my brain activated knowing I had to follow your Twitch. Hey! Thank you so much. I'm glad you enjoy them. I'm glad. I enjoy making the TikToks. They're very silly. They're very silly. But welcome in. That's so good to hear. Yes, we get a little silly here. In a good way. I mean, the best way? Yeah. This room right here, there's too much going on. Personally, what the heck? What? I have a few good edits coming out next week with my 3D model. I'm saying is that when you clip stuff, it becomes TikTok. Oh! Bro, we having a rave in the bathroom? Getting sent to hell? Before we die. Oh! New front intruder skulls across the. I know. There's one intruder that I saw in the trailer that is in this scene, and you can see him at the front of the train. But we haven't seen him yet. We saw him in a different room earlier, like when I first played this map. I haven't seen him again. So he's the one with the big head, and he was right here. Remember that one last time? I haven't seen him again since. Man, I feel like it's been a while since we played these maps. Megamind. Don't insult Megamind like that. Don't insult Megamind like that. Yeah, the alien dude. That's the one I want to see again. I miss him. Okay. This cart might screw me over. Or this room. This room's kind of funking me up. Big head ass. Yeah. They did add a lot more though. Because we played the game literally like right when it came out. This map anyway, and like the rest of the game. I think like a few days right after it came out. So I'm seeing a lot of new. That's for sure. That's fair, Vox. That would be sick. This is just like my little happy, silly, I'm totally not gonna get scared music. Shoes and sleeping? Oh! Bro, someone's taking a nap. Nice. Yep. This is Roller Coaster Tycoon, yeah. Yeah. It sure is! Me and Kieran got Monster Intruder that rushes the camera. Ew! Did you... That sounds terrifying. What the fuck? I love this music. It's such a vibe. So I'm gonna take a sip of my drink. Alright. Cool. Okay, good. You can't see my cursor. I thought I had the cursor disabled on this scene. No, we're good. We're all good. It makes me think of like Roller Coaster Tycoon back in the day. Roller Coaster Tycoon and Zoo Tycoon. I played the fuck out of Zoo Tycoon 1 and 2. They were like my internet addiction games. Same with Roller Coaster, but I always played the OG Roller Coaster, which is Roller Coaster Tycoon. I don't think I've ever really played the other games. The more like 3D ones, personally. Don't think I've ever gotten into those. I do have them. I actually have them on my Steam. But private as extra? Extra what? Where? In the cart? Oh god, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, I think I'm good. Oh, there he is! Oh, yo, hit the beat. Oh. There he goes. No, that was Alien Man, not Huge Man. Within the room itself. Oh? What am I reporting here? Is it the bag? Because these have all been here. This magazine's been here. Bucket. Area 51 head ass, literally. He's gone now, though. He's gone. He's gonna send to jail. Little alien. Oh shit! Oh no. Okay, what's changed here? We gotta be on 2 light switches? I don't know which one's the correct one. Okay, hold on. I gotta do a quick scan because we are missing some things. Okay, bottle. Someone's having a sippy of their Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola! Did this yellow thing move? I don't know. Which one do I shoot? Yeah. Okay, what else is here? What else do we got? Searching. Seeking. Okay, we have 2 more things we're missing right now. Shit. What could it be? Don't. Ah! Me when I'm seeking? Torx Cell. Hi, gamer. Can we have a big shout out for Sierra, please? What's in the washroom? I don't know. I can't see anything. Ah! Ah! Who the fuck is that? Hi, sir. Okay. Anyway, the German. That was the director. Ooh! Woo! Okay, we're still missing some stuff here. Shit. I don't think any of this has moved. I think we're okay here. What's in the bathroom? Holy shit, Jason Bourne! I kind of like that guy's fit. Not gonna lie. Did they make 6 even brighter than 5? 6 is definitely full of color, and this map anyway is very bright. This map is very bright in itself. I think this moved, right? I hope so. Oh, I'm being punished. Oh, it's a blue! Why are you blue? Jesse! Why are you blue? A blue world and a blue house in a blue... The poster? No, I think the poster's fine. It's always been like that. Love, death, robot type beat. Sierra, I'll check your message. I'll just check your message right now. I'm back from touching grass and I feel good. Hell yeah! Was there always a second handle in the bathroom by the window? I don't know. It's hard to say because that happens if I report too falsely. Zima Blue reference? Ayo! No, it says smile day, not happy day. Oh, really? Don't smile. Oh, thank you, Vox. Yeah, you guys, if you wanna literally pinpoint what is wrong, that's fine. Like I said, backseating is okay, so just tell me. Cause we're all in this together. Don't smile day, you're right. Oh. Don't smile. Thank you guys. The poster's fucked! Nah, it's chill now. It's chill now. We chillin'. I'm blue, the right light switch is sus. Alright, bet. Yeah, like I said, backseating totally open, so just tell me what you see. You don't have to like be suspicious about it. I'm all cool with that. Which one do I shoot? Let's go. Ooh, sus. Exclamation sus. So we got the director, who was the main character of this map. Which is cool. I got an achievement for that. Sus. Remember, like Sus from Gravity Falls. Thank you, Prince. Yeah. I'm shaking your shoulders. Backseat me! Backseat me! I know a lot of people don't like backseating in terms of, like, certain games. I don't see how I specifically can just, like, sit here and play this game and then let people just, like, vibrate in their seats while they see something that I don't. Like, I don't care that much. Like, I feel like this is a team effort kind of game, you know? So we're all trying to do this together. We're all chilling. I will take a break after this map, though. Oh, this is new. Once you enter, you'll never leave. That's not Sus at all.
Huh?
Finding weird little guys. It's a team effort. Yeah! Yeah, there we go. Got it. Got it. I don't really like this kind of difficulty. The subtle ones are the worst. I know, right? And someone was talking about the handles in these bathrooms, right? I think it's hard to say. And it's difficult to interact with everyone here if you're I know, right? Right? I can understand if maybe a bigger streamer streaming it was like, please don't backseat, and then everyone in the chat will be yelling, like, different things. But, like, I don't know. I feel like I've never had an issue with it, so. Nah. Meh. That's true, H. Customer service be like. Alright, let's make sure we have all of our cameras. Private, sleeping. Oh, we're missing sleeping. Camera malfunction and sleeping. Somebody is sleeping in sleeping. That red and gray thing in the corner looks awfully sus. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Welcome in, Ketchup Crab! I like your name. That's really silly. Ghost! Ghost! Wait. Just in case she gonna kill me. There's ghost in the passengers. Oh! The one right next to the toilet is fine. The one underneath the window. Ooh, okay. I can try. I can try it. I think I have up to 3 tries before it restarts me. Or before, like, I get punished for it. So let's... this one, right? Let's try it. Thanksies! Of course. Nope, we're good. We're good. The handles in the bathroom are okay. Ghosts are fine. Yeah! Yeah, but I don't trust like that. You know? I know. I never know. Sleeping is an extra faucet? Oh, wait, it does. It's always been like that, though? Is that real? That's so small! Would that be a real detail? It's so small. What, do I have 3 wrong ones before it punishes me again? I think it's 3. I think it's 3 before I get rebooted. Absolutely booted. Thank you really quickly too. 3 wrong? Okay, well, we'll try it. We'll try it. 3 wrong, and then I turn blue. Hey! Okay. Thank you. Sorry for doubting you. It's just such a small detail, you know? Yeah. Yeah, we got her. We got her. For spam pencil. Why are you blue? Jesse, why are you blue? Okay. Cool. Wait, we're missing... are we missing a camera here? I guess we can't really do that. Smurf behavior. Smurf cat behavior. I think dining had something. No? Okay. We're good there. La la la. What did dining have? Oh! Robin Alt. Hi, bestie. Are you coming in here to bully me too? Or are you someone totally different? Because if you're someone different, my apologies, but I don't think you are. We live, we love, we lie. Do, 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 dee, do, dee, do, do. I don't see anything wrong in here. La, 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 la. Real-time mode actually. Oh, acknowledge, that would be pain. That would be real pain. Ooh, that's cool. Guys, this is my favorite fucking TV show. Shut up. Oh. Door open in dinner. This one? Really? How do I report that? Ah, there we go. I have not seen real-time FNAF. What is that? That sounds terrible. What is that? Huh? I don't want to pay to work, mate. Hi, P. Welcome in. How's it going? Welcome in. Welcome in. It's so cool. Real-time FNAF, just FNAF 1, but you can see the animatronics moving around. Ooh, wait, are you talking about FNAF Plus? Is that the one you're talking about? Because I know there was like a game that was being made, but then it stopped, or something happened with the creator and then it got stopped. Are you talking about FNAF Plus? Because that's another cool one I saw on TikTok. Hello, P. I don't think so. I remember it being calling real-time FNAF. Oh, okay. Okay. Imagine Robinall is someone completely different and they're... That's what I was afraid of, but I don't think so. No? What's no? For a second I thought it was playing for 6 hours. Yes, the creator got into... Yeah, something, right? For FNAF Plus. That's what I remember hearing. And then someone totally different finished it? Or uploaded it or something? I can't remember. Private. Is that USB stick really a thing? That's such a tiny detail. Are you kidding me? Alright, let's try it. What? What the fuck? No. What are you? Really? Really? Oh my, yeah, I know. That's just wild to me that that would be such a tiny little... Woo! Jeez! See, this is why I'm playing with Joel, just saying. This is why I'm playing with Joel. It's so fucking small, I know. That's why I had such a hard time believing it. I was like, really? I don't think so, you guys. You guys are just pulling my leg. You're pulling my tail. It do be hard. That's fair, yeah. Alright. What else we got? I'm nervous that we have some more stuff going on here, but it's hard to say. Driver's that paper? This paper? Is it? Oh, it's written on now? Important. Someone's writing their notes. Yes, nice. Okay. I've been bitching about the game being too easy. That's okay. I don't like deny that at all, because I feel like the first, like like all the maps on the normal mode, they were pretty chill. Like, you guys remember when we played them, we beat a lot of the maps first try. Are we missing something here? Has this always been empty? No, I'm second guessing. Because of the reporting? That's true, because you could just report whatever you want. Oh, hi. Sir, I don't need to, okay. Anyway. What is that? That's just your average train goer. What do you mean? Hard mode made it perfect in my opinion. I am enjoying hard mode a lot, actually. I am. I like the, what's the word? I like the details. of the tiny little details. But again, like if I was playing this myself, I don't think I would fucking like notice that. Poster on the right? What poster? Which poster? The ones in the back? The little magazines? The knob and driver? This knob! Oh, you're right. The magazine rack. Oh, okay. I think goodness there's no nightmare mode. Yeah, nightmare mode would just be like all anomalies all the time. Could you imagine? I don't know though. I do enjoy seeing the anomalies. I think they're fun. They're a really cool detail. They're a main part of this game as well. Guy? Oh, someone's having a little rave in here? Ooh, kill him! Ooh, kill him! Ooh! Sweet! I have mixed feeling about it. That's fair. That is very fair. Guys. Ooh.
Huh?
I think we're gonna sit right here. Woo! Nice! First try, train hard mode, baby. Let's go! Oh my god, slay! Alright, so that was the train map. I enjoyed that. Did I accidentally quit the game? Oh, no, we're good. Whoa! So first thoughts on hard mode. Not too bad. Not too bad in a way that it's like hard. It's definitely more a little like focus based, but the false reporting system is pretty cool. And I think the amount of spawns that happened were pretty good. Besides, you know, they're being very tiny details. So just playing the shark don't need it. No, I do. No, I do. Please. I do. Oh, I mentioned it before, but normal mode and potentially hard mode has more things spawning, more false reports. Yes. Yes, I did see that. Okay, really quick, you guys. I'm going to take a short break, get some more water and stuff. So, I will leave you with some different music because we've been listening to this funny roller coaster music. But before I go, have you heard the song Sharks from Imagine? I have. I have to listen to it again because it's been a hot minute, but I have. Yeah, I totally have. Okay, guys, you guys sit tight for a few minutes.
Can I send you some music to put on?
Is it copyright free?
I think so.
Okay, sure. Sure! We're gonna get a Dylan request for BRB music.
Yar.
Oh, slay. It's hard to say if this one is, but
I know, right?
I'll play it anyway.
We'll find out.
We'll find out.
Pretty dang quick. Here you go, guys.
This is your local forecast. Weather information you can find.
Okay, I'll be right back. River, thank you for the water. I will get that on my break. You guys sit tight for just a minute or two. Hello, hello, we're back. Hi, Zelos, welcome in. Is this Mario Kart music or Weather Channel? It's Weather Channel music. Yeah, it's a good vibe. I just hope it's not copywritten. Teehee. I guess we'll see. I probably could have disabled it for the VOD, but... La 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 la. Hi, Rena. Can we get a big shout out for the Rena Oni in chat, please? Hello, hello, hello. What's up, Rena? Hope y'all doing well. You too, friend. You too. Maury's got his little milkshake there. He's not eating it though. He's kind of saving it, I guess. It's gonna get warm. How you doing? I'm doing so good, Rena. I just got back from a break. We just beat the first map in Observation 6 hard mode. It's pretty cool. It's pretty freaking cool. So I vibe with it. I'm vibing with it. Did you guys see Jason's avatar, by the way, fighting? It's so silly because Jason's little avatar's got a shotgun, right? So he's going out here shooting shit. Listen, sometimes you gotta save the milkshake to let it melt a little bit. No, I don't think so. You gotta let the milkshake separate. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let me just quickly check a few things here and then we'll get back to it. Back to it. Sorry, I just checked my DMs and Prince just sent me. Prince! Yes, Prince, absolutely I can do that. That's an easy change right there that I can make. Oh my god. Jesus. I've done it. Sit cute. No you! No you! Alright, you guys ready? I'm gonna get you guys to vote on the next map. I'm gonna get you guys to vote on the next map here. Alright. Alright. Yeah, Jocon, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for playing. You have a good night. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So. Oh, shit. Sorry. Raid jump scare. We have three. We have 5 other maps. What do we want to do? We got hotel, hospital, pool. Pool was fun. Summer cottage or university. University is where the big man is, by the way. Cottage? Oh, cottage! You want to do a cottage on hard mode? Oh boy, I don't have a good feeling about that. Thank you for the pets, River. By the way, anybody who has won a sticker giveaway in the past 2 weeks or so, I will be sending them out this week. I just haven't really gotten to them yet. You know, just a me thing. Hotel, I know. I think Summer Cottage was the one we ended with when I was doing my normal playthrough. I don't know, man. I low-key want to do pool. Low-key. But I feel like you know what? We'll try cottage on hard mode, okay? Because you guys want it. We'll try it. Hotel? Trivago? Maybe.
Huh?
Okay, I got my water with me now. Let me take a sippy. I just lied to you. I took a sip of my coffee. I thought I would want to do cottage core. Okay, bet. Okay. Let's do this summer cottage on hard mode. Yippee. Eee. Okay, HN, I hope we get that critter that ran up to you guys that one time. Ooh, cottage cheese. Our international branch has received reports of anomalous events happening in a remote summer cottage in northern Finland. Numerous instances of object replacement and extra objects were reported by the owner. They originally thought their wife had been bringing old junk to the cottage, but later realized that the objects appearing were of anomalous origin. Oh, Vox, I just have a command for that too. I have a, not a command, sorry. I have a bit redeem. Yeah, bit. I have a channel point. I have none of what I just said. The freak. Yo, where the freaks at? The owner of the cottage says they witnessed a large, messy, and extremely malodorous man emerging from the woods to chop wood in their yard. Yo, Prince. Yo, remember that guy? Remember that guy? The owner's wife recalled moments when they were sitting by the sauna and could swear they saw a humanoid-looking creature in the wall. Who's doing that? You mean the ringtone? My newest redeem? Skinny Prince. Oh, bark, bark, bark. Oh, roar, roar, roar. Roar, roar. Got that dog in me, bro. Download the dog. Okay. Alright, you guys ready? You guys ready?
Huh?
I don't think I'm ready. Hold on, my model's being a little silly. What's going on here? I'm all about that Shark Side lifestyle. Hey, feel free. How you doing tonight? Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, gamer. Hello? Okay, never mind. My watch is just yelling at me. Yo, everyone chat barking. With a PH. God. Okay. Clap. Woo. Let's do some observation. For what we have there.
Bork, bork.
We even got Mori Borkin. Dartboard. 4 darts. Box. Garbage. It's bright as hell out. It's bright as hell out. Oh, I'm not excited for this room. Medicine, shoe, man getting run over by a car. Yeah, I get it. House, 2 items. Cereal! I thought that said Honey Nut Cheese. That's just Honey Nut Cheers. Hey, Corgi! Welcome in. How you doing? Ah! Corgi scream! Why is daylight? The cottage is near latitude where the sun doesn't set in. Ooh, oh, cool. Okay. We got the outdoors, the outdoor woods. Plate, 2 shoes. Well, 4 shoes, 1 shoe. Pack. The kitchen is gonna mess me up. Look at all this shit. Finland behavior. Yeah. This is where we saw our old dude last time. The old man. Yes, sir. I think from what I remember, this map took us the longest to beat. Yay! It is relaxation time. Absolutely. That's how it should be on a Sunday. That's how it should be. I'm gonna scrunkle myself because my model's having a hard time with this map. Bonk. And there's shitter in the house. Wait, really? Is the door open? Oh! Yeah, understandable. Yeah? Ew! I'm excited. I hope we see it. I hope we see him. The door swell. It's the guy from the train. OMG. Hi, Robin. Prince, have a good food. Anomaly spotted. Grass is scary. Reports the entire property. You got my soda? What'd you get, Robin? A man's romance before? Hey, yo.
Huh?
Wait, is it already? Really? It already moved? That's what I thought. I'm like, has it really moved already? Because we just started? Wild. What happened while I was gone? Robin, we beat the train level. We beat it. Oh, there's a dead man under the car. Uh-oh! What happened?
Huh?
Sir? What happened? Life imitates art. I did observation duty boss rush mode with the intruder after. Yes! That could be cool. That could be really cool. What? There's a guy under the car. He was just chilling though. Don't pull me out. I'm sorry, Robin. Watch. It's just like a man trying to repair his vehicle. He's just sorry. Hearts fast. I bet they deserved it. Damn. Damn. Have those boards always been 3? 3 of a kind? Bucket? Is that bucket new? I don't know. I don't know. Ooh. Boss rush, baby. Oh, hi, Germa. Hi, Jeremy.
This is by far.
Someone report Germa. I have no idea how to repair cars. Yeah, me neither. Yeah, it's fine.
Stop talking. This is the best part.
Up. Up.
Nice.
Nice. All right. The training. I don't know if that bucket... I feel like that bucket's been there. Is there too many buckets here? I know this one can change. Ooh. What? God damn it. Not nice. Evil. Uh-oh! Bye, cat. Bye, cat. I should make a sound when that happens. When someone gets a nat 1. Oh! Wise! Wise, don't scare me like that. Please. The misery for cat, that's true. Step 1, ignore car making weird noise for as long as possible. Step 2, hope things make weird noise. Cry. Yeah. Step 4, spend too much money. Get in debt. Jet with the meow. Jet, have you gotten any updates on your character design? I'm really excited for that. Well, I feel like we're already missing so much shit. Like, what? I'm gonna try to wait, has that life thing always been on the door? I think so. I think there's too many buckets here. Sniffer? Yeah! Jet's getting a little character! I'm not gonna say too much in case Jet wants to keep it as supplies. Nothing yet, but it's in. Oh fuck yeah! It is Weiss. It's a fellow. It's somebody we. Oh, hello, lights in the living room. It's somebody we know. Just a little meow meow. Just a little creature. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Not too bad. Not too bad. Can you guys hear Dylan like moving his robot around? Let me know. If so. It's fine. It's just funny if you do. You might hear some clicks. Jet already told you! It's just a little meow meow. That's all you need to know what it is. Persona type beat. You know what I want to get? I want to get a Sunny PNG. That's like the one thing I don't have of her yet. Well, I don't have like a 2D model, but I don't really need a 2D model. I want this little cat. I want a little meow meow PNG. Maybe I'll keep an eye out for them. Yo, Lich, welcome in. Thank you for the self hydrate and the stretch. Me went silly. You know what? I'm also gonna take a bite of one of my little koala snacks. How you doing? Good to see you, gamer. Delicious. All right, I have a feeling I might knock over my coffee, so let me just move. Let me move some stuff here, just so my arms aren't flaying around. No, I'm just gonna put it here. There we go. Doing so well so far. I'm doing good too. It's been a fun night. We're playing some hard mode. It's been pretty silly so far. Pretty good. We did beat one map already, and backseating is open for anybody who sees something. So just tell us. Say it in chat if you see it. Absolutely. Has that shovel always been there? God, I'm going insane. Man, I'm insane. I should make a redeem where it just teleports me to, like, the back rooms or something. Just a completely different scene. Yo! Oh, this model is amazing. Thank you. It's my PNG. I have been scrunklified. If you, owie! If you have not seen the redeem, people can scrunkle me, and then I become this for a select amount of time. I'm just leaving it on right now because this map is making my model struggle, my normal model. Hi, Jacques! Oh, there's a man outside. It's her! Can we get a big... Yeah, Jacques, how you doing? I love that emote. That is so silly. You look like a little puppet. You look like a little Jason! That was the perfect timing, because Luna got rid of me, and then Mr. Beast showed up. God damn it. Yeah, see, you had to make a little silence for... Yes, I know. You gotta make room for Mr. Beast, bro. Just wiggling. Just wiggling around on a Sunday afternoon. I feel that. I feel that. Okay. Nobody can help me. My scene is just memes. What the fuck is this? Gmod be like. Oh! Backyard is missing a rock? How the fuck do I report that? What? Oh god. Excuse me. How do I report that? Oh, what? Thank you for the biddies, you guys. Big appreciate. Big appreciate. It's always so silly. This is wild. It always is. Missing 1 grain of sand. There's 1 shingle missing off of the ceiling. If you didn't know.
When you smile. Hit it from the back and drive you wild.
1 is missing beside them. Okay, I will attempt to report that. I will attempt. In those eyes. I just wanna let you know you're mine. Sid, try to report the shovel because I don't think that was there. Okay, but you guys realize if I don't get it right, I get penalized, okay? This is hard mode. Are you talking about these rocks right here? Bijou heart. Bijou, report it. The shovel? Okay. Don't yell at me! Jeez! You're wrong. Fuck you. God, dude, if I report the rock, I'm gonna go into blue mode. You realize this. Holy shit! Bro, someone is stocking up here. Someone's... Who's the alcoholic? Alright, fess up. Yells at you. Egg! Egg anomaly. Cool, blue is nice. It's not nice for this game. From top rock, go down close to the tree. So like this one right here? Are you talking about this rock? This one is hard. That's fair. Like, so if I report like right here in the middle, I swear to God, if I go blue because of this, lower, like beside it here, right here. Oh!
Shark.
Bom, bom. I need brain power. Oh! Bro. The prophecy. You can't hear it. I got my iced coffee still with me. I love when you say my name. God damn it. Okay, I'm gonna move. I'm gonna bring my model back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Lower on the screen itself, like move down towards the patio. What, like over here? Or like here. I'm gonna wait until you guys I just make sure I'm not missing anything while we're trying to figure this out. Too far? God damn it! Worst coffee ever had. Bro, I had McCafe one time at the airport in Buenos Aires. Ah, Robin, that doesn't surprise me if it was airport coffee. You know what? Hold on. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Kays. One sec. I'm gonna look at something real quick. I'm gonna look at something. I'm gonna check something out. Because this is gonna drive me bananas. I'm gonna go silly! One sec. Don't waste your time. There also is an anomaly in the cottage that we have not seen yet. Okay, one sec. I'm looking up something. Uno momento. Ew. One sec. Yeah, I should have expected it. Also, I remember having Starbucks at an airport, like, it's been a while. And it was very fucking mid. It was really mid. Like, really not good. Okay, I think as strange as the McDonald's is. No, I love McDonald's coffee. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. But it's crazy that sometimes when they mess up the recipe, it's bad. There we go. We got it.
I think Tim's coffee is objectively better, but McDonald's is more consistent.
Yes. Oh, there's footprints. Yo, who's walking? Is it Big Man? The biggest guy? I'm back. Hi, Prince. Hi, Prince. Welcome back. Starbucks is meh. A coffee drinker? Shaking my head. Yeah, I'm drinking coffee right now. Too much stuff.
Sydney has coffee?
I thought coffee sounds almost, but not quite as bad as gas station sushi.
God, I hate McDonald's. Most coffees I've ever gotten from was fine. I got one that was awful. Like how? No, listen. Tim Hortons coffee, their coffee's pretty good, but God forbid you get it consistent. You're lucky. You're gonna be real fucking lucky if you get the same goddamn fucking coffee every single time. You're getting Pog. You're Pog. I think there's a difference between McDonald's Canada and McDonald's America because McDonald's coffee's ass. That's fair. I wouldn't be surprised.
I wanna weigh in on I think underrated coffee, gas station coffee. Actually, like, I think pretty good.
I don't remember the last time I had a gas station coffee. Are you talking about like a 7-Eleven coffee?
Like a 7-Eleven. Not like a fucking, oh, you go down to Max, you get your cappuccino.
Oh, my dog. Oh, H-N, yeah. Oh, ew. Oh, dog boogers. Ah! No!
We also live close to an Italian center. So
yes.
We get a little spoiled.
Yeah. We live right next to us, Tim Hortons, a McDonald's, and a Starbucks. So like, and a gas station.
And the Italian center.
And an Italian center. So we have a lot of coffee options. We're all the Italians. Yeah, that's where Blanc lives, actually. And we have a coffee machine. So we like coffee in this house. That's where Blanc lives, actually. He lives at the Italian center. Cody, anomaly spotted. Shork. You're so right. Little Italy. Yeah. Cody, what's up, gamer? I love coffee. Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. What the fuck was that? Anyway. I feel like this map's really hard. Oh, you know. Yeah, I know. Oh, yeah, I know. I'm getting so hard into espresso. Ooh. Glacial from where? Hey, Karma, welcome in. How you doing? How's it going? This pepper shaker always been doubled? Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Hey, Kayla, what's up? Welcome in. Welcome in, gamer. I'm trying to see. Okay, no, we're okay. Sorry. Welcome in. We're talking about coffee. What if when you drink coffee instead of caffeine, you get water in the drink and the sugar? What? A local coffee. Oh, yummy. Ooh, Robin, nice. 2 matcha pots. All right. Oh, there's a boat here now. Someone left a boat here. Why did I call it an oven? I want cookies, but I'm too lazy to make some. What kind would you make, though? What kind would they be? Personally, I'm going to be making some snickerdoodles coming up for Christmas season. I'm very excited for that. One of my favorite cookies. Man door hand hook car door. What? I think...
Huh?
Did I just hear an owl? Vox, are you in here? What the hell? I think I just heard an owl. Be lazy and get the pre-cut cookies. Get the Pillsbury cookies. Yeah. Chocolate chip cookies. Ooh, I want to. Yes, I love making them, and they're one of my favorite cookies. Yeah, I made them last year. Oh. Oh, okay, that made me jump. Thank you very much. Sid, do you not? I do. Why are you yelling at me?
But I can't. Why do they call it oven when you have in the cold food about hot heat the food?
Why are you yelling at me? Stop yelling. Yes, feel free. I will give you a smoochie. One sec. Let me find you. Let me find you, gamer. By the way, you guys, I reorganized all of the stream avatars in the stream avatar app. So if you see any that you like, they're all organized now by species. Feel free. Where are you? What little creature are you at? Don't yell at the streamer. Ah! Cody's yelling at me. He's being mean. Made some chocolate. Oh my god, Gizmo, yummy. That's the only acceptable oatmeal cookie, just saying. Chocolate and oatmeal. You put raisins in there, you're committing a sin. What? Huh? Who? Huh? I'm trying to find Feel Free, because they're gonna get a smooch. Cody could never be mean? No. No, that's a lie. That's an absolute lie. Man, what did you just say? Chocolate oatmeal cookies? Yeah, Cody's gonna start like / announcing just messages. Okay, hold on. Feel free. What Sharky are you? You know what? You know what we can do to make this easier? I'm gonna do this. Exclamation. We're gonna do this. Just so you can respawn and I can find you. Oh, you just exploded right next to me. Okay, one sec. We're gonna wait for you to respawn so I can find you. Best way to find your friends? Blow them up. I found you! There we go. That was harder than it needed to be. Mwah! There you go, gamer. Enjoy your smooch. I tell the truth all the time. Lying is a sin and I am a saint. Okay, don't worry, Sid. I'm lowering Cody's guard so I can tackle him. Salutes for you, Robin. Salutes you. Thank you. Someone talk about chocolate. Raisin oatmeal is a trick. False chocolate. Yes. Yes, they are. There are, I won't lie, I won't lie. I have had some good oatmeal raisin before, but they're not all like that. Not all oatmeal raisin, that's the truth. That's the truth. Mwah! There you go, Bijou. There you go. I'll trust Spooky with my life. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Alright, back to it, guys. Bring the focus back. We're doing that. Oh, the darts are gone. Someone is actually gonna go play darts. They're gone. My delicious butter-flavored life. Yes, so I actually did see the Pillsbury cookies, the Christmas ones at the store today. I was tempted to buy them. Eva! Welcome in. Welcome in. Hello, gamer. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. How you doing? How is it going? All right. Yippee. Oh, there's a yo! Yo, look, he's slaying! He's doing the fucking Germa pose. Is he taking a smoke? Oh, no, he's fucking Germa posing. That notif makes me panic every time. Which one? The hello or the yippee? Hello, streamer? Yo, everybody redeem hello, streamer. Go. Go. Do it right now. Do it right now. Oh, not Germa. You're breaking it! There's too many! Ow! Hi, Jester. Hi, everybody. Hi. Hi, Jester. Hi, guys. Oh my god, did the door change color or am I tripping? Am I tripping? Has that dart always been in the tree? What? Has streamer got games on your phone? No. No, actually, I got no games. Gameless. I have... You kitty? You have kibbies? Oh. Are we missing a camera? Kitchen, backyard. Your best of friends. Oh, we're missing the sauna. The backyard. Oh, what did I just report? No, I'm gonna turn blue! Fuck! Oh no! Oh. Okay. Hee hee. Anyway. Oh, we're missing the sauna. Ew! Ew, ew, ew! Oh! Please reboot faster. There's a fucking crazy woman in my house. Ah! Ah! This is me when someone talks about D&D. Anyway. Rogue really popped on the blue screen. Oh, true, true. My bad. Okay, let's see what's popping off in the sauna. Are we okay over here? Miwa and VTuber Oshi. Look at you and your color adaptive model. Yeah, well I have my effective lighting on right now for today. Because we're playing Ookie Spooky game. Miwa and Final Fantasy. Me. What the fuck? There's a fucking leg in this boot. Yo, who left their leg here? Who left their leg here?
Huh?
Oh. I want to see the shitter man. I'm waiting on that. On backyard, unless we missed it. What's backyard? Where? The leg? I just got that. Oh, it's your leg? Sorry, Robin. You can't park that there. It's illegal. So oh, you can snack on it. Okay. But wouldn't it get like lukewarm? It wouldn't be really good. Oh, no fire. Someone took the fire. When she spot on my resolved until I anomaly, huh? Huh?
Huh?
Front yard trash bag? This? Are we missing some stuff there? Jerky! That does sound good. Like gas station jerky. Mmm. Oh yeah, we were missing one piece of garbage. Has this dart always been in this tree? I'm kind of suspicious of that. Hold on, I need a sippy of my drink. It's called beef jerky. What about it? Sorry, I wasn't having a sip of drink. My fam didn't get any deer jerky this year. No! I know Morbid Lullaby in chat had deer jerky earlier this year. And it's pretty good, apparently. Apparently it's pretty good. I am very interested in trying it. I am suspicious of this dart here. I'm sussy of it. I'm almost done my snack. Hold on. I'm taking a snack break. There's quite a few left, actually. There's quite a few. Be real careful with the backyard. Why? What happens in the backyard? Is it just like really noticeable stuff? She cottaged my observation till I duty. Be careful of me. If A-chan showed up in this game, I would leave him. I would say, A-chan, you... Cody! Damn it, that's our second pinball today. Okay, fine. Fine! Becomes a pinball VTuber. Hee hee! If it happens, you will know. Are you talking about like the Axeman or the creature? Cause I know there's a couple things that happen. Another pinball. Yeah, this is the second one of the day. I only have pinball for, you can only redeem it 2 times per stream. So, you guys are getting it both today. Oh my god, Robin. Holy shit. 1 second, bestie. No, I quit the game. I quit the game. Oh, no, I didn't. Oh. Hold on. Fuck. Okay, hold on. Robin, I'm pulling you over here. Wait, fun fact. I was watching a video about the Little Ice Age that happened a few years ago, aka the event that influenced all things 30 Years' War between the Habsburgs, France, and Prussia and during 1812, and it was so cold that the mercury levels dropped drastically, making horses' outer skin to what? Oh my god. I would 100% be a pinball VTuber if I had no self-control. Me! Right? That could be fun. There's actually a streamer who uses like actual machines and I'm like, how? Wait, really? Like they stream actual machines. What? That sounds rad as hell. I follow one pinball Twitch account and they are a convention that go around every year and they do pinball competitions. That's the only one I follow though. They're not like a VTuber though. They're just a normal Twitch stream. Twitch account. The horses were okay? What? That's insane. Horses are hefty fucking creatures, dude. They are big, hefty creatures. And you always kind of forget that. Oh! Pinball tourneys, they are cool. Pinball gets serious, dude. It gets real serious. And you don't realize how, like, fucking insane it can be. I mean, they weren't okay, but they were war horses, but, like, okay. Yeah, that's fair, Robin. The movie War Horse is actually a really good movie. I should watch it again. It's been a hot minute. Did you guys know that in the movie War Horse, the horse that's all tangled up in barbed wire, that's an animatronic. That's an animatronic horse. It's very impressive. It's very impressive. Hey, look, we already got a better score than we did this earlier this stream. Way better than we did earlier. Okay, no baby bonus for me. That's fine. Oh, yeah, the big bonus though. I'll take that. My little what? What the hell, Robin? Oh. It's so fucking cool, HN, right? It is so cool. It's insane. I remember seeing a lot of people online being like, how did they train a horse to do that? Bestie, it's not real. It's not a real horse. The pepperettes in my local area have flavors like alligator, ostrich, camel, kangaroo, wild boar, and elk. What? Sid, would you ever enter a pinball competition? I don't know. I don't know. It really depends on what kind of cabinet you're working with, because every pinball cabinet is different. But it could be cool one day. It could be a neat thing to do. Absolutely. Could be an interesting thing. I don't know how well I would do, but I do enjoy pinball. If anything, it would be a very fun thing to do. Yo, we almost had 1 milli. Oh no! I think for the one movie, it was animatronic, but the one they used for the was a complete puppet. Oh, then I think we're thinking about the different ones. Then we'll take a look real quick after this, because I know in the show play that it's like a giant 2-person controlled puppet. I've seen that one too, but in the movie there is an animatronic as well. They use for the horse that's all tangled in barbed wire. There are the 2 different ones, but they're both equally fucking insane. Yeah, absolutely. I know, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cool. Ah, it's so cool. Wormhole opened. Nice. The movie was animatronics. Yes! Damn! They were all yeah, the live ones, they're all puppets. And they're huge! They're huge! I remember watching a video of like real horses reacting to like the puppet one, and it's really cute. It's really silly. Because they're like, what the fuck is this fucking thing? Ooh. Help. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay, we almost at a milli. Not too bad. Wait, there's a museum? Really? Really, Sierra? Holy shit. Yo, bet. I think you would absolutely love that. Hey, yo, pick up your Skype. Yo, I'm calling y'all on Skype. Hi, Michael. Hey, that's not a bad score. That's not too bad. Okay, my... Get pranked! Get fucking pranked! That's so funny. Oh, Jason, thank you for the treat myself. Ow. Is the Life of Pi. Wait, there's a tiger puppet? I don't think I've ever seen that one. Ooh! Maybe we'll take a look at them before we start watching our spooky stuff. Okay, let's keep going, guys. Bring our focus back. We're doing pretty good so far, so good. We're doing pretty good so far. We've only blue screened once in the game. I need to check out the Life of Pi Tiger because I thought it was like a lot of green screen, which it probably was. It probably was, but that'd be really understandable. Hi, Nebula! What's up, gamer? How you doing? Can we get a big shout out for Nebula, please? What's up? How are you? How you doing today? Mim said, bring for life first. All right, class. All right, class. Everybody, focus in. It's time to learn. It's time to learn. You guys should go follow Nebula. That's a Shiver J sibling right there. Their model is so fantastic. Their energy is so good. Please go give them a big... Oh, the pepper is gone. Yes. My pepper, it's broken and it's gone. Baby shark, where? Are you talking about the one beside me? Because yes, he's a baby. Hi, Turk. Hi, Turk. Thank you very much. How are you? Welcome in, gamer. Oh my god. Necessary. Do you use the...
I am no baby. I am a big boy.
Thanks for the lurk! Bijou, I'll answer your question in 1 second. Hello and good evening! Hi! Please let this be a normal field trip. Ground trip. Nuh-uh. Yo, Ketchup Crab, thanks for the follow. I just had to let you know you're... Okay, Bijou, I have a few different answers for you. Sharky's a cube. I'm not a baby! I'm not a baby. Okay, Bijou, I got two different ways I do my lighting. So this one is purely an OBS that I trigger with a command. So if I do this, dark mode off, I'll go back to normal. And then I have one that is strictly in VTube Studio, which is this one, where certain elements of my model get changed. So you can see my eyes. So not you. Yes, yes, he's the baby. Correct. Correct. Yeah, and then this one is purely in VTube Studio. So I'm getting rated. So I'll tell you more in a bit. Welcome in, you guys. How we doing? What's up, Raiders? Hi, Pramby. Hi, Tom. It's so good to see you. Welcome in! Hi guys! Hello everybody! Pramby, Tom, what is up you wonderful beans? It's so good to see you guys. I hope you had a great stream! Welcome in, Raiders. My name is Sharksighted, or Sid. I'm a Friday streamer VTuber, and get those dancing emotes ready, cause let's fucking get it!
Let me tell you.
Hi, guys. Hello, you lovelies. How was your stream? How are you guys doing? How is everybody? Welcome in. Welcome in. Oh, here you go. A little wiggle, wiggle. Bum, 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 bum. Stream was good? Okay, you guys gave me 2 different answers. Was it good? Or was it great?
Huh?
It's good to see you guys. What were you up to today? It was great for me.
It is as cute as Waluigi is long.
That's an interesting way to put it. Oh no, really? What were you guys doing tonight? What was on the stream docket? Okay, my model's having a hard time tonight. Why? Ooh, luck be a landlord. Oh gosh, I've never heard of that. That sounds fun though. That sounds fun. 2 different answers. Totally fair. Totally fair, honestly. You guys, please, my side, go give Praebian Tome a big follow. A big follow. I big appreciate it if you guys did. They're lovely. They're a duo group VTuber streamers. They're great. They're awesome. They're so lovely. Please make sure you give them a big follow. Bing bong. Like roguelike deck builder game where you make your own slot machine. Oh, that sounds funky. I like it. Cool. Well, welcome in, you guys. Welcome in, everybody. We are playing some Observation Duty 6 hard mode tonight. We're actually just getting through a map right now. So we'll see if we can beat it. We're on course to beat it. So yeah. But yeah, if you guys gotta go raid and run, understandable, or if you gotta go lurk it up, please take care of yourselves before anything. I appreciate you guys so much. All right, let's get back into it. Let's get back into things. We're getting very close here. So hopefully we can do something funky. Get funky. Funky. Oh, that's a man's... That's Why? Why are things like this? That fucking ringtone and that intruder? Okay. God damn it. Ew, someone's... Robin! What the fuck is this? Get funky with my little... I got my little crab on my head. Oh, River, thanks for the water. Oh my god. Ugh. The fucking ringtone with the man just hanging there? What the hell? Excuse me, I look away. There was an arm on the table, mind you. I'm assuming that was your business. Yeah, you guys have a good eats. Go eat your dinner. River, we have been playing this map. We're about 2 hours game time away from beating, hopefully. And then we beat the other map. So we're still on this map. This will probably be the last one of the night, and then we'll move to video. Do. No big men yet either. No big strong man. Yeah, no worries. Not too much. We're just trying to get through this map right now. Oh. Warehouse skinny tree. Skinny tree. Where? Oh, the ladder? Ladder. Oh! Huh? What skinny tree? This thing? Really? Okay. Oh, weird. I ain't doubting that though. I ain't gonna question it. At this point in the game, I'm gonna question it. Okay. You know what? I'm unfortunately gonna take this small ass crab off of my head. Just because My model have a hard time today. There we go. Sorry, little guy. Gotta put you away. I don't like hearing the animal noises. That's weird. Kitchen item on the sink. Okay. These items on the shelf above the sink. This thing? That looks weird. Is this the Phasmophobia house? I don't- maybe! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you guys. Higher? This stuff? Okay, hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna take a quick look before I try and report that. Because we are in severe panic mode. Are we missing a cam? Or am I tripping? Am I tripping? Kitchen, backyard, warehouse, sauna, front yard, living room. Okay. What's missing up here? Front yard mailbox. Oh, my mailbox is gone! Oh! Thank you! Thank you! Someone take my goddamn mail. Goddamn! Slay. This would be a cool Phasma map, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, the Grand Shark. Ooh! Cat, nice one. Isn't that your second one today? I think something in the living room, really? I can't see. Is this plant thing different? Yeah. Oh, honey nut guts. Ew. Oh, you got the one. I know someone else got a 20. I don't remember who it was. Oh. Oh. Rah rah Asputin. Hi Iron. What's up, bestie? Iron in the chat for today. More likely than you think. How you doing? Not the honey nut guts. That's what when Alright, we're bing bonging out here. Saw another book on the chair. That's always been there. That's always been there. That little towel. When? Book towel? Book chair? Hook door? Outside door looked funky. Which outside door? Oh, the colors look different? Oh. Fuck! No! We were so close! What did we miss? What did we miss? Sauna. Something got replaced. Something got replaced in the living room. Steamer smoke in the back. This must have been the barbecue and we just missed it. 23. Yeah. Well, damn. That's okay. That's okay. That was going to be our last one of the night if we beat it, but we didn't, so that's okay. Okay. So we're going to switch to spooky videos because that's how we wrap up our Sunday nights. That was good. We'll definitely be playing more of this. I just really, really like playing Observation Duty. It's such a fun stream game to me. So we'll definitely be playing more in the future. Also, Kaze, hey, thanks for the follow, gamer. Appreciate it. Okay. Sunday, it is spooky time. So I'm just going to do this. And I'm going to take another short break. Well, I refill my water. And then we're going to switch to, Project Fear, because there's a brand new Project Fear out. So, I will be right back. I'm going to change our music, because we don't need this music anymore. And instead, I'm going to bring up what we had before. Let me just grab, where is it? Where's my audio? Do this. Boink. There we go. Okay, you guys sit tight for just another minute. I'll be right back. And we're going to watch some spooky video, some ghost vids. Gamers! In my stream? Not real. Not right. Alright. You guys are just finishing battling each other. Very good. Battle for my entertainment, if you will. So we're going to be watching some Project Fear here. There's a brand new one uploaded 2 days ago. Did I miss it? You did, Flower. Hi! We did 2 maps tonight. We beat one of them, and we almost beat the second one, but the hard mode is much harder, but in a good way, I would say. But you're just in time for some spooky video if you wanted to hang out for the rest of the night. That's what we up to. That's what we up to, baby. It's between Falcon and Moonshine. Hello, I am doing good. I hope you're good too. Oh, Moonshine. Poggers. GG. All right, let me get this video up, baby. So we when we don't have any Nukes Top 5 to watch, we love to bring up Project Fear. Because they are equally as funny. Maybe a little more ghost hunty, if you will. All right. Yeah, on that art grind, of course. Lurk it up, B. Appreciate it. Appreciate it so much. Ay, ay, ay. Bucket. Oh, nice one. Why is the crab like on the tippy top of my head? Oh. That's fine. All right. Enough music. Music makes me lose control. Let's go here, get my audio, bump, bump. And let's bring up some Project Fear, shall we? So this one is, actually I'll just put it up here, you know. Here we go. We got Orphanage of Horrors, Our Unexplainable Night. This is a very long video, so we're not going to be watching all of it, just until, you know, it gets to around end time for today. Hi, Franken! What's up? Did you hurt yourself?
We're good.
Okay. You're just in time for some spooks, so we're hanging out. Okay, Prince, I saw it. I saw it. It's so cute. It's so silly. It's so silly. Okay, hold on. Hold on, you guys. You need to see what Prince got me, or did for me. Look at this. Oh. Look at this. Look at it! Me when I. It's so cute! Look. Shark eyes. I love that. I love it. Little. Small. Thank you so much, dude. It's so cute. I love that silly. I recently been getting into Scott Pilgrim. Yes! That's out now. I totally forgot about that. I should probably look into it. That bean! What's she looking at? Also, this is me right now. This guy. This is me. Okay. Let's get into it, shall we? I'm excited to see what they get up to in the unexplainable night. Aren't all of their nights unexplainable? That's because they're ghost hunters, right? So cute!
Shadow blocked my light. Don't know what's going on, dude.
Me and the homies at Lethal Company.
To a haunted orphanage.
These hallways are so
Woo!
scary.
Me and the squad.
I heard that. Oh, there's someone over here. Holy.
Me when I scream. Hell yeah. Let's get into it.
What is up, everybody?
Sadly, no bingo today, but that's okay.
Right now, we're just packing up at our Airbnb.
Hi, Dakota.
We're heading out to our final destination.
Why is it so
Last
close?
stop of this road trip.
Oh, Flower, these people are very dramatic, so yeah, I'm not surprised you think that. They're so dramatic in their video editing. They're so dramatic.
I saved this one for last because it's a location that we've never
In a
been
world.
to. We are going to a haunted, abandoned orphanage in Pennsylvania.
Whoa!
This is one of the many Oddfellows orphanages across the country. There are a lot of dark secrets. There is a lot of
December
secrecy to
14th?
this
Oh, hell
society.
yeah.
We will be meeting with a fellow YouTuber
Society!
of ours named Kalani. Kalani Ghost Hunter is his YouTube channel.
Ooh,
He's
collab.
one of the only people who's ever been inside this orphanage. So we're gonna need him because
Why
there's
is he so
much
close?
mystery to this place. But yeah, this will be it. This will be the last stop of this Pennsylvania road trip.
Why is he so close to the camera?
Here we go.
I scared your dog. Oh, I'm sorry.
We're rolling. Sup, dog?
Sup, dog?
Sup, dog? Me when I start stream.
Dude. Yeah?
Bam Bam. Ooh, lots of stuff coming in December, actually.
That booty now for me. Oh, yeah.
Can I just skip to the ghost hunting? Okay, I don't care about backstories. I'm just gonna skip to the ghost hunting. I don't care about backstories. I'm gonna skip right to the ghost hunting, cause I don't care for any of this stuff. Okay, let's go right here. Sharkside X Project Fear? God, no. I would never. If I was in a car, I would.
People that have possibly conjured something on this very property.
The energy. Not there,
so
bestie.
It's like, why is this one particular tree calling people to this spot?
The tree? The tree's haunted too? Dude, these shots are kind of pretty though.
It's like, I feel like there are just so many things to be nervous about tonight. Like, so many.
I don't know what to expect tonight, but what I can tell you,
they got a cowboy.
This place is not one that I feel comfortable at, like I do at other places I've been to.
Damn.
Let's get some batteries in our cameras. Let's recharge and then start up.
Let's start up, baby. Look at her sitting in the middle of nowhere. Is that a horse? Oh, there's a horse there. A little guy. All right.
We're gonna do some
Here's where the tea is. Fungus infection.
Chelsea, we're gonna go check out the auditorium. And Tanner and Alex, if you guys want to stay here in the main orphanage building. Listen, I made that one loud on purpose. I am so happy that I made this redeem, bro. That's so fucking funny. I'm not sorry. Oh my god.
I get it. We're hearing all the noises again already.
Yeah.
Cool.
Of course, it's an experiment.
You're such a good friend.
It's for science.
For science.
All right, let's do this.
Okay, bye.
Bye, guys.
I think we need to.
Getting pulled up to heaven.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I'm sorry. For science.
It's for science.
Oh, I added so many ringtones,
They know
bro.
what science even means. He's not a scientist.
All right. Let's do this, dude. Oh my gosh.
Holy bucket.
Already, this place.
This man almost just fell through the patio.
Listen, folks, this is that roadway.
If that's bad luck, call into him immediately.
This just shows you.
Holy
like,
buckets!
How decrepit this place is, though. Like, there's so many areas.
Flower, no! Oh, it's so fucking funny.
Where you could just fall.
Oh man, someone's going down tonight.
Someone is going down.
Hi, Cece. Cece, hi, darling. How you doing tonight? Can we get a big shout out for Cece, please? If there's a mod in chat, can we get a big shout out for Cece, please and thank you? How you doing?
Just the bros now.
Cow? What? What happened there? That's really funny. Hi, Zizi. I hope you're doing good today.
Cool ones. The ones that all the orphan spirits are probably scared of.
Right, because we're manly.
Huge.
We're big, strong men.
I don't want to move.
I'm scared.
I'm scared. That's all good.
We're in the freaking jungle, boys. We are like out here in the wilderness, wild thorn bearing.
Trees over here.
This is it. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, that's a freaky tree.
So if you look, like I said,
That was so unfunny, and I missed something.
This is where we had
I was too busy looking at the shout out.
The moment I took
Oh!
we had activity.
So you touched it last time, and then the moment you did, yeah.
I literally went like that, and then the rim part started going.
Is this
off.
the haunted tree
Something
they were
the
talking
tree.
about?
This is the one that he had to.
This looks like the tree from Fern Gully. That's what that looks like.
run people off because he said they were.
Of course,
conducting some sort
CZ.
of rituals here.
Oh my god! Sinful! Sinful! You goddamn bean! You stinker! Hi guys! Oh my god! You guys! Raiders! Raiders, welcome in. My name is Sharksighted or Sid. I'm a variety streamer VTuber. We're watching some spooky videos tonight, and you guys better buckle up because you're in for something special. So let's get it!
Let me tell you.
Welcome in, my...
You see, I'm something of a magician, inventor, and chocolate maker. So quiet up and listen down. Nope, scratch that, reverse it.
Welcome in, you guys. Simple, how was your stream? Oh my gosh, my video was having a little hiccup there, but welcome in, you guys. Don't worry, that wasn't an ad. That's a bit redeem. Oh my god, that's so funny. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. I'm sure Cindy told y'all about me. We getting a little silly here. We're chilling tonight. We are just wrapping up our Sunday with some spooky vid. So we're watching some Project Fear tonight. They're ghost hunters. Having a good time, and I hope you guys are doing so well. Stream was big vibe. You were playing. What were you playing? You're getting into some really cute farm sims lately. So I hope it was good. I hope yours is going. It's going really good. It is. It is. Also, thank you for the follows from who we got. We got Butch Cat and we got Ryuji. Thank you so much, you guys. How y'all doing? Yes, these ghost hunters are kind of not funny, which is why it is funny. But yeah, it was really good. We were playing some observation duty earlier. And we beat one map so far in the hard mode, which was good time. And now we're just wrapping up. We're hanging out. Well, I say wrapping up, but we're not going to be doing that for a good while. Hi, MMX. I saw your message in the middle of the raid stuff. How you doing, Bean? Welcome in. But yeah, you guys are just coming in time. We're hanging out. Any raiders, if you guys got to go lurk it up, go run away, Sinful. If you got to do your after stream care, feel free to run away. Say you're trying to get, I'm getting to 3K. Not 2K. I already reached 2K this year, which is insane to me as well. Listen, I made a tweet. Okay, listen, come here, come close. We're going to talk real quick. I made a tweet at the beginning of the new year this year being like, here's my goals. You know, here's my goals for Twitch. My follow goal for Twitch this year was 1.5K. 1.5. We're way past. It's insane. I'm so excited. It's I feel like we can do it. I feel like we can do it. Oh man. My mom uses that alarm for like 7 a.m. Yeah, the ringtone redeem is so funny. It's so funny. But yeah, if you guys gotta go lurk or hang out, feel free. Feel free. Go do your after stream care. I think you streamed for quite a long time since, so I don't blame you if you gotta go run away. Thank you so much for the raid. You guys, if you're not following Sinful already, I'm not sorry for that one. If you're not following Sinful already, please do yourself a favor. Sinful is so fucking great. They have the comfiest vibes on Twitch. Make sure you're giving Sinful a big follow. Yo, Vaporwave Sky Wolfo. That is a wonderful combination of words. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. And I hope you guys are ready for some spooky video. I mean, we'll see if it gets spooky. We'll see. I thought a friend called me. I'm sorry. Listen, Canelost. That redeem has about 30 plus ringtones in it, so the chance of the Discord one coming up is pretty low, and it's super funny. It's super funny.
Huh?
Absolutely. Yeah, go eat your food. Go eat your food. Hang out. Love it. Love it. Love it. Thank you so much, Bean. All right, let's get back to it.
Out of a horror movie, and it doesn't fit in. This is the only tree.
Hello? Oh, okay. Spoopy vid? Yeah, we're watching Project Fear tonight. They're at a abandoned orphanage. Yeah. I was doing stuff, so I rated. Well, welcome in. Welcome in, Bean. Pokevid? No, we're watching Project Fear. Spooky, ooky, spooky. Ow! Geo! Can we get a shot for Geo, please? Hi, Geo.
Of its kind on this entire property.
All right, let's see what they can get.
Dude,
Let's
It's
see.
just a weird feeling around this tree.
I just don't like that he caught people doing rituals here. Modern day, like not that long
Oh,
ago.
I
It almost
absolutely
looks like
did.
the tree grew like upside down. Like it almost looks like the roots are growing like outwards. I've never actually seen a tree quite like that.
No.
But yeah, so that's the tree.
Damn.
That's
well,
the
we
tr-
saw
the haunted tree.
Time to go check out the auditorium now.
All right.
Ooh.
So is this the first time it's ever been paranormally explored?
Yeah, this one's never been touched.
First time explorers.
This is a creepy looking building.
So that's the tree. Time for the. Oh, Geo is going all in on the slots.
Creepy.
So,
Hey man, just saying, if you guys keep the ringtones going, like as soon as they're done, I will put a longer cooldown on them, just so you know. Just so you know. So make sure you don't abuse it.
last time
Real pioneers.
you weren't investigating,
Ritual in
you
the
were kinda
modern
urban
day? You mean
exploring.
hobbies?
we were
Yeah,
just
jeez.
walking to get like a feel and see where
Yeah,
we wanted to
jeez,
start.
come on.
And we were planning on coming in here, but we just got so much in that one. We didn't come over here. We didn't have time.
That's how the
So
pioneers
we were
did it.
the literal
Oh my
first
God,
people
Robin.
To investigate it. This is that library.
This is the library?
Yeah, it looks like there was a spot.
Gosh, watch your step.
Jeez Louise.
Boss battle.
People have come in and stolen a lot.
If you guys want to join in on the boss battle, do exclamation join, ranger, druid, bard, necromancer, priest, mage, or warrior if you would like to join in on the boss battle. Join in, you have to stay in the chat to participate. Make sure you are active in chat if you would like to join. And you will have a chance at winning some gold for all your avatars. By the way, if you are coming in from the raid, and if you have followed my channel, each and every person in my stream will get their very own shark avatar, which you can see down below there, the ones that are battling. You can pick out of many different ones. So, did you see it? Did you see it?
You can see here they had them all labeled.
Foreign language.
I love
Bible evolution. Very
Oh.
eerie vibe in here.
My dad.
I mean,
My
where do you
brand?
even start?
I don't know. Do we explore for a little bit first?
I'll follow you anywhere.
Isn't this your job? What do you mean you guys don't know what to do?
Thanks, man.
Thank you. I needed that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go this way. This is the way. When we were reading the packet, we were hearing a bunch of.
No, really? Your tiny one? Oh no! I have to. I'll if you guys get to the sub goal, you know, maybe you can try it for some more. Just saying. Should I get a bald head sticker?
Apartment.
Should I get an
Okay.
egg sticker? That could be funny.
Kitchen, some bedrooms, bathroom. I feel
Egg.
like I'm walking through someone's house and I really shouldn't be.
Right?
Yeah?
I feel like we've
Okay,
broken
that'll
in,
be my
and
next
it's
order.
just like,
It's not run down. Like it's
No.
not really like there's no
What's my
wallpaper.
quality
except
at?
for, like,
It's
little
at 180.
corners. The fan.
Oh, MMX, you were a little late to the battle. I think it's they're all full now.
Aren't drooping. Like it looks like
Egg,
someone
please?
moved
Okay.
out in the 70s and just left.
I'll make an order of eggs.
what was that?
Thumping noise.
Hello?
Can you do that noise again?
Oh, River, you can just type 1 in chat. 1, 2, or 3. You
My
can just
name's
type those
Tanner.
numbers. 1, 2, or 3, and then
This
send
is my
it.
friend Alex. We're gonna be here all night. Just want to let you know that we're very nice people. We don't mean any harm.
That's nice.
We just want to talk.
They want to talk.
Can you tell us where we should go? Can you make a noise for us?
Okay, Robin, maybe. I'll consider it. Owie! Oh my god, Gizmo's on fire. Yeah, Sea Bunny is here!
So this is the actual.
Thank you, Weiss.
auditorium.
Yeah, we have a Sea Bunny avatar now. Little sea bunny, little sea slug.
Dude, not again.
It's
Not
freaking
doing
bats!
that again.
Don't throw out your back.
I love Halloween!
I've got this yes no device that might be cool to put on the stage because we can see it. It does algorithmic EMF, so like just picking up electricity won't make it go off. It's really cool because
There's the ghost!
we just
Holy
hold it
shit!
and we'll go off, but you can ask yes or no questions, and entities can interact with it literally by saying yes or no.
A and B.
A and B, yes and no.
Okay, let's try it. Want to set it like on the.
Yeah, I'll put it on the stage, maybe.
Yeah.
That could be cool. We'll see if they get any answers.
All right. We have never come in this building to communicate with you before, so if you have anything you want to say,
Anything
we
at
have
all.
a device out that you can use. You may not know how to use it, but just try and use some of your energy to interact with it. So if there's anything that can hear my voice, my name is Kalani.
My name is Dakota. I'm here with my sister Chelsea as well. We don't want to stir up anything. We're here to talk to you.
Prince, are you in
just get a
chat?
better
Prince, it's your turn, bestie. Where'd you go?
understanding of who
I'm
might
calling
be here
Prince
still.
to the principal's
If there's
office.
any orphans here that would like to speak with us, can you come and touch that blue light we have on the stage?
All good.
Do you want us in here?
I'm doing C, buddy.
Is it okay that we're here right now?
Ooh. It's okay. Are they gonna speak? Demons.
We're not here. We're not trespassing. We're allowed in here. Are we talking to?
Robin Raid! What's up, everybody? Hi! How we doing, gamers? What's up? Hello, summertime. Welcome in. There's more. Yes, there's a lot of Robins in the chat. Raiders, welcome in. My name is Sharksighted or Sid. I'm a variety streamer VTuber. We'll do a little ghost video tonight. We're hanging out. It's so good to see you guys. Raiders, get yourselves comfortable and consider this.
Let me tell you.
Hello, everybody! Robin! How was your stream? How was your stream? How is everybody going? Wait, was the Among Us always that? Yes, it was. It's also here if we do this. How is everybody? Welcome in! You guys should go give Robin a big follow, okay? Please and thank you. I'd big appreciate it if you did. How was your stream? How was your stream? Welcome in. Welcome in. It's good to see you guys. We're just watching some ghost hunting videos. You know, average Sunday activities. We played some South Park Stick of Truth. Nice! Is this your first time playing through that game? I hope you're having fun. I hope you're having a good time with it.
An adult?
No, immediately.
No.
Ooh.
Are we talking to a child? A kid?
Bear?
Someone under the age of 18?
I swear I just heard something again. That just said no.
Said no?
It's
So what are
flashing.
you?
This is weird. It's like answering all of our questions, but...
Creepy
Oh, you
thing
played
is,
it back
too,
in
is it's not
2015.
going
Okay,
off
so
when
a
we're
good
not asking
revisit.
questions.
Nice.
Yeah,
Aren't they releasing a new one too? If that's what I remember seeing, aren't they releasing a new one like soon? Or am I just tripping?
Are you afraid to talk to us?
Oh.
Yes.
What?
It's scared. It's scared.
That's actually wild.
It's a little
You
scared.
don't have to be afraid of us. Maybe you tried to speak out when you were alive and no one listened, but we're here to listen to you and maybe offer you an ear just to listen or help.
What
you
year
or
is it?
help
Hi,
you.
Riley.
So would you be willing to?
Yeah, it was a beat 'em up co-op type game. Yeah, I remember seeing it. I remember seeing like when it was like super popular when it released. Hell yeah. Well, Raiders, again, if you guys gotta go run away, go lurk, go eat dinner, go to bed, etc., please don't feel free like you gotta stick around. But I appreciate you guys so much. But in the same canon as Stick and Fractured, I think. Oh, okay. Neat. Neat. Sweet.
Tell us who you are.
Your boy just woke up. Good morning, Riley.
Yes.
Good morning, gamer.
Good. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for talking
good to see you.
with us.
Very good to see
So
you.
were you an orphan?
No.
No.
Instantly.
Hi, Bobsoon. How you
Did you work
doing?
here? No.
Did you know of the abuse that took place here?
We're talking to Ghost right now.
You don't have to be afraid to tell us.
Welcome back. How did it go? Jacone, we got to 5 p.m. on the cottage map and we lost. There was too many anomalies. We got really close though. We got really close. So now we're just watching spooky video. We're hanging out while they fight a boss.
I'm still so curious, like, who we're talking to right now. Like,
Yeah, so they're not giving us any info.
It's definitely reacting and answering us. It's just not giving up information.
Yeah, it's all good though. It's all good.
The Oddfellows organization?
Not to worry. We'll be playing it more for sure. Yippee! Oh. We'll be playing it
You
more.
dropped off here as a
This
child?
boss fight sad. Maybe we'll have another one in a bit. I still have to find more bosses.
Yes.
Okay.
There we go.
We finally had something.
The tragedy.
are you curious as to why we're here?
I like the girl hunter.
Do you know of
That's the
anyone
ghost
here
sound
that
effect.
was maybe mean to you or mean to other kids?
Sorry, I'm putting my hair back up in a ponytail.
Yes.
That was a long
Was
one.
anyone carrying? Yeah, Case was
The
there.
more it holds, the more
Yeah.
substantial it is.
Is it okay that we're here right now?
Mods or someone. Oh, did I just mute the video? My bad. Mods or someone can remind you of needing to find bosses. Well, I just have to go to the Steam market and just like look. It's okay, Riley. You're good, Bean. You guys almost got the. Oh, you got him! Nice.
That was a long. Well, I wonder why I come back.
So if anyone was part of that boss battle, you have 500 gold now. So if you did want to change your shark or gamble it all away, it's really up to you. But congrats!
Why would he come back?
You guys notice how it hasn't answered one of my questions, but
True.
you guys are
I
like.
told you though, when you're a female here, it's weird.
Try asking questions, Chelsea. We'll just go silent and just see if it does even
There's
answer.
gambling, yeah.
Are you gonna communicate with me? This is so ridiculous. This is crazy.
This ghost doesn't like her.
I know you can hear me.
They're
Are you gonna
beefing!
respond to me at all?
Case, thanks for the
tonight?
lurk.
Now you ask a question.
Are you a boy? Are you a girl?
Flash the yes if you're a boy. Flash the no if you're a girl.
Yes.
That was quick.
Boy.
Not surprised.
That's why maybe he's
Oh!
talking to you, though. I wonder if, like, you remind this person of someone in its life.
Maybe like a disciplinarian.
Maybe.
The ghosts don't like her. Rude.
Alright, so we are leaving the main section and heading over to the boys' wing of the orphanage.
Okay.
Oh my god, dude.
This is instantly creepy.
Yeah, way different vibe.
Ooh.
Oh, you already know.
Oh, piano! Yo, are they gonna play the piano? Oh, yo, beat! Bro. That's such out of tune. That's the, ooh, that's
The layout of this
crispy.
building is so odd because
Oh!
there's no rhyme or
Is that a
reason
dead
for
bird?
some of these rooms.
Oh my god, you guys are gambling. Oh no! Goodbye, Gizmo. Yippee! Fuck that guy.
We're gonna go up to the third floor. Are you
Oh
up
my
there?
god!
You making noise?
No, not my morpho. Like, it sucks as ghost, so like we don't claim it. Not a vibe. Yeah. Well, you gotta think back in the day, Riley. This building is old enough, so I don't think there would be any like non-binary ghosts per se, unless they would just happen
wonder
upon the building, maybe.
Pull out some gear if there'll be.
You know, back in the
top.
day.
I'm definitely creeped out. I feel like.
So what is
they're
Project
scared,
Evil?
maybe?
This is Project Fear. So these are ghost hunters. So when we don't have Nuke's Top 5 to watch, we usually check and see if these guys have a video out, which they do. So their videos are very long. So I don't think we're going to get through this whole video. We'll just stop like whenever we feel like it. But yeah, it's just nice to watch. Sometimes they're funny because they're so bad, but they're funny. Holy shit, another raid! Horse! Horse! Hi guys! What's going on? Welcome in! Is that number 4? Fuck yeah! A horse! Raiders! Raiders, it's so good to see you. I love that horse guy. Welcome in, everybody. My name is Sharksided or Sid. I'm a variety streamer VTuber. We're getting a little silly here tonight. I got a special thing for you guys, so get those dance emotes ready. And let's, consider this.
Let me tell you.
Ooh! Oh, you're beating me! Whoa! Hello? Welcome in, you guys! Horse, how was your stream? How was your stream, bestie? I love that horse guy. What are you guys doing today? Welcome in, welcome. Ow, owie. Welcome in! You guys should go follow Horse. Horse is great and silly. I love that guy. I love that guy. But welcome in. We're just watching some spooky videos. We're hanging out. We're having a good time.
Like we've
It was good. You're playing Minecraft? Oh, fuck yeah.
By talking, maybe if we bring
I
out
love
a
Minecraft.
device, you'd actually get some sort of response.
Love
be able
that
to
game.
Know for sure that we're talking with someone. Alex and
We're just watching some
are
Project
going to
Fear,
use the digital
hanging out on a
recorder,
Sunday
ask some
evening.
questions, see if
It's
we
good to
can
see
get
you.
Any type of responses other than the knocks that we've been getting. Rolling on the digital recorder on the 3rd floor of the boys'
Yeah, dude, I
wing.
can't wait to find.
We have a
Can't
device
find
in my
tomatoes.
hand,
Really?
and if you come up to us,
No
you'll
tomatoes
be
for
able to
Horse.
speak to us. I know you may not have had a lot of
Not
people
allowed.
come here and ask questions, but we want to know some things about you.
We just
Can you
watched
tell
some
me your
Project
name?
Fear. Ooh, big yawn. Excuse me. And they're in an abandoned orphanage right now. Hi, why the hell not? Welcome in. Welcome in, gamer.
Were you one of the Oddfellow members?
Odd fellow members. Good night, Jocone. Thanks for hanging out. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Can you tell us
Is that a ghost orb?
something about the Oddfellow Society?
What is that, a cult? Huh. Huh?
Huh?
What if they just heard, like... unexplained gnome activity?
Are you trying to come closer to us? You
He's
can
pogging.
keep walking over here if you want.
Oh,
You
also,
don't want us
if you're just
talking
coming in
about-
here, we do a thing every stream that if we do get to 5 gifted subs throughout the whole stream, not gifted, just subs in general, we do giveaway. But we have not gotten that today, so just a reminder, we do giveaways when we get there. Sid, if you ever make a stream team, would you call that odd? No, I no, I would not.
Of the Oddfellows?
Ow! Horse!
Fucking dumbass!
Dark.
What the hell? I'm thinking about Germa. Horse, thank you for the gifted sub to Pramby and Tome. I love Pramby and Tome. That's a good gifted sub right there. Hi, Craig! Hello, Craig! Get this shork! No, get the horse. Get the horse.
Do something funny.
If you have a
Germa
message
entity.
for us, it would be a great opportunity to speak in this device. Can you tell us something you want to say?
Perfect. Oh, we were talking about it earlier that if somebody could like mod Germa into observation duty, I think that would be great as like an intruder.
All right, I'm gonna cut.
Oh, back to the auditorium with the sexist ghost.
Make any one of us run out the door tonight. If you can do that, I'll love you forever.
Mommy.
They're gonna fall in love with the ghost.
Can you
Kiss,
get
kiss,
us
fall
out
in
of
love.
here? If you do, we won't come back.
German noises too. Yes! Yes.
Whoa. I heard that. That was like a dink.
Ooh. We tapping out here? Germa detected.
What's going on? What's going on?
Go for Dakota.
We're not doing that. We thought you were doing that.
Oh. Ooh, the ghost is pranking.
Stood up and started walking.
I'd love to kiss a ghost. Not
Like you guys were talking.
Same here. We thought you were
Oh,
clicking.
they hard
your
over like the
walkie-talkie and you were about to talk, but you
1970s.
weren't saying anything.
Wait, Tana, did you guys actually hear the beep?
Beeping noise it makes?
Yeah. 100%. I thought you were clicking on the walkie-talkie and you're about to talk, but you weren't saying
Ooh.
anything. It went
That's cool.
click. I have my walkie on the ground.
No, dude, that doesn't even make sense because, like, if I was the one talking, I wouldn't have heard the clicks. Like, right now, when I stop talking, we won't hear a click. It's like it wasn't me.
No.
Okay, now I'm actually really confused.
That was
I don't
neat.
get what's going on now. Like, what happened then, do you think?
Ghosts! Ghosts! What do you mean? What happened?
Oh!
You gotta be careful of trespassers. Like, what if someone else is using these walkies?
Oh, dude.
Dude, what?
What?
Ooh.
Robot? What the hell, dude?
They're both pogging.
It's actually getting like morphed and distorted.
We're not even that far away, dude. There should be no interference.
It's working perfectly right now, but while
Ghost!
talking and explaining what was going on, it was getting distorted.
Toast!
And weird.
It's starting to figure out how to use energy.
I have the chills, dude. Did you just say it got cold?
It's freezing.
When I see a ghost.
It's doing it again.
What the hell just happened there? Because even if you try to talk over me on walkie, it wouldn't cut you off like that. I don't understand
Ooh.
Dude.
Honestly, walkie-talkies have always creeped me out. Back when I used to go camping a lot with my family, we would like have walkies and we would fuck with people on different channels. It was really funny. We used to fuck with people all the time. Binks 100. Welcome in. Thanks for the follow. Hope you're doing good tonight.
What? Are you kidding me right now?
Dude, something's figuring out how to use our
Walkie- they are scary.
That was so weird.
Okay, so I'm talking. I'm allowing you to hear my voice.
The second we started talking about the
Right when he said
Keep talking, keep talking.
I'm still talking. I'm freaking out. I don't know what to freaking say.
Dude, I am a little freaked out right now.
So,
You get a little spooky. Oh.
Yes.
Oh. I look like an alien.
Like, give us another talk and talk about just the Oddfellows.
We were up here.
Oh, River. So fun fact, Ghost Adventures used to be one of my favorite shows. I just don't watch it anymore because I don't have cable. But it's funny you say that, River, because see this guy right here? He used to be on Ghost Adventures. This is Dakota. He used to be one of the cameramen, I think, on Ghost Adventures. So now he runs Project Fear. Yeah, he was. Biblically accurate shark. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
When we started talking about the Oddfellows, that's when we finally got...
Cameraman? Yeah, he used to be a camera guy.
We mentioned Oddfellows, that's when it happened.
Dude, we've never had this happen.
No.
Oh, shit.
Dude,
you guys.
That's pretty interesting.
This is
Yeah.
really weird.
They kind of like split off and did their own thing.
See if he'll say something negative about the Oddfellows.
Talk negatively about the Oddfellows.
Uh-oh.
Are you trying to get us killed here? What?
Oh, no.
It's my fault. Just try and piss it off. See if talking
Oh, no.
negatively about the
Don't be
Oddfellows
mean.
gets even more of a reaction.
Yeah, Riley. Me too. I just don't watch it anymore.
We were friends.
Okay.
Say something
I am
bad.
talking bad about the Oddfellows.
What could go wrong?
I really don't understand
What you guys were doing, some of the rituals that you guys did seem satanic, and I am not about that.
I thought I saw something break.
Flash. I literally saw that.
I'm freaking out right now. I don't want to talk about it on the Oddfellows, to be honest with you. This is like not cool.
Dude, what was that?
Walkie-talkies could use some terrifying misdirection. Oh, absolutely. It's like what's going on right now.
1 sec, guys, 1 sec.
Right when he said satanic,
What did you see?
it broke your light. So like you had your light just beam this way, and it looked like there's something that moved right here and then moved out.
Dude, I literally have the
Shadow
Are
Man.
you guys okay?
Okay, Kwame literally just saw like a shadow block my light. Don't know what's going on, dude.
You know what this reminds me of? Because they're on like they're screaming at each other through walkie-talkies. It reminds me of Lethal Company. And you know how you can like hear somebody like screaming and like dying on the walkie-talkie in Lethal Company? That's what it sounds like because they're just yelling at each other right now.
Dude, what did you just say?
He's screaming!
Like what's happening right now?
Oh, dude, my heart is fucking pounding right now.
What was that?
Hey Chan, it's so much fun.
Is there someone down there?
Oh my goodness.
Block my light. Don't know what's going on, dude.
Tanner, what did you say? All I heard was
Screaming!
It sounded like someone
Based filth emote.
was walking up the stairs. Like we are in one of the rooms down here, and at the end of the hallway, it sounded like someone was like running up the stairs.
Okay, dude, it's happening. Something is happening. I don't know how to explain
Leave
this.
the company with the
What the fuck
homies.
is happening?
Wait, I asked, can you scare us out of here?
You did it!
Oh my.
You did? Oh my God!
I asked it to scare us out of here.
It's doing it. The thing about it that scares me
yawning
is
big
we've had
time.
these walkies this trip, the whole last trip, and they've never done anything like that. Like that was like distorting heavily. Let's get out of here and keep exploring. Maybe we find somewhere else in here to just continue the conversation.
I say we try basement.
Basement? Okay.
Let's go to the basement.
In the basement.
True.
No EVPs were captured during the digital
Like,
session.
I know we just got a lot of activity, but at the same time, like...
That was aggressive. And to be honest, Kalani's saying, scare us out? Like, screw that. I don't want to sit in here and wait for that.
No. Especially when we're on the 3rd floor.
Let's get out of here. Let's go down to the girls' ward.
Let's do it.
The ghosts are just playing pranks on him, bro. I would play pranks if I was a ghost. Gorls. The Gorl
Got the
swing.
Ovilus. It is said that spirits can manipulate the frequencies.
I like
to
the
pick and
Ovilus.
choose words. So basically, anything that these spirits here want to say, they can choose the word from here.
I like the
and
Ovilus 'cause it's
speak
very
to us through it.
text-based.
So I'm just gonna keep this on as we
Giggles
walk
without the
and
E.
go through the girls' wing.
I love that.
We have a device in our hand. We're gonna keep it on. If you want to come up and talk to us, please do so.
Are you one of the orphans here? Can you come talk to us? We'd love to hear your story.
Ovilus Witcher reference? The Ghoul Boy sit. What? What is it?
Huh?
Gorl.
Girl.
Girl?
No way.
Is there a girl
We
here
should watch
watching
the
us?
Witcher vids, like the shorter ones. Real? Which ones? I don't think I've heard of those. Could be interesting. Brother, chill.
You want to talk to us?
Since we're guys, are we not allowed to be on this side?
Oh, true. You guys shouldn't be there. They should send the girl there.
We don't mean
Ghost.
any
Oh, Witcher
harm.
Ghost Files.
We're
Okay.
bad guys. We
Sure,
just
I can
wanna
look into
talk
that.
to you.
I can look into that.
I wonder if they're gonna be like skittish, because I'm sure if there was any abuse, it was done by guys, like men.
That's a really good
That's not true. There's
Were
a
you
lot of
mistreated?
elderly women abusers too, but
Are
whatever.
there bad people here?
Just saying. The Ghoul Boys, the Ghoul School. True.
I think this is just a room.
The first side goes out shorter bits.
anyone
Oh,
up here?
okay. Sounds
You can
good.
talk to
We
us
can,
through
we can
this
totally look
device,
into
my
it.
man.
We can totally look into it.
Can you make a noise if you're here? Can you knock on something like this?
What I kind of want to do is go to the 3rd
Well, my main goal is to do.
The layout is so similar.
Sharky, you
It
ever seen
kinda
the video of Rubsy in the haunted apartment? I don't think I have. Who does those? Who did that video? What's that one from?
contrast.
Does not ring a bell.
similarities Between the two. This is.
Oh, this is
much creepier.
We'll probably wrap up in like a few minutes here.
Alright, so we're
So I'm
sitting
gonna
down
turn off
now.
my
I'm gonna
raids.
keep the Ovilus on, but we're gonna break out the mag light and see if we can do some simple yes/no kind of questions for
There we go.
Tree.
Tree.
Tree?
Streamer. He was streaming at his friend's place. Oh, ooh, that sounds
freaking
cool.
Ritual tree.
That sounds
like,
cool.
It's warning us about like, hey, like there's something bad here, and it's that freaking tree.
Is the tree the reason that this place is so haunted?
Oh, a boss battle! Riley's like, I want to fight the boss too. If you guys would like to join the boss battle, do exclamation join priest, warrior, or mage. You have to stay in chat to participate. So make sure you stay in chat to do so. Filth, hello, how are you tonight? I'll post a video in reuse server. Yeah, sure. Sounds good. Feel free to tag me. If you guys want to join the boss battle, now's your chance to do so. Join on in if you want to win some cash. Some avatar cash. Come on, guys. Riley can't be the only one in the boss battle. Come on! Come on! How you doing, Phil?
Main reason?
The main reason.
Bro.
That's actually freaking nuts.
My main goal.
Dude, this is freaky. Careful.
A basement.
What do you say we set up just kind of central?
Yeah, let's just go right here.
Oh yeah, Bijou, you're fine. It just filled up anyway. You're good. What just happened? I'm okay losing my mind trying to draw. Oh shit, what you trying to do? What you trying to do? Oh, did Coda scare him?
Okay, got the spirit box. Picks up radio frequencies, it scans them at a rapid rate.
The ghost is farting.
Speak a little clearer. We heard you on our walkie. Can you use this to talk to us now?
What do you think about the...
Oh, you made an emote! Oh, cute! That was really good. I love it. I love it. Coda reference?
Maybe you try holding.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And now we've got a woman holding it.
Hi, Faded. Hello. This is so scary. It's kind of spooky.
You wouldn't really tell us if you were human or not. Or
Faded. What's up, good? What's up, fool? Hello, bestie.
Whoa. I need you to use more energy to try and come through.
Ooh, drawing Coda right now for a hashtag lore stream that I missed on accident. Flower, I am so excited. I am so excited. Can we actually get a / shout out for Coda Blinky, please? Because I'm not going to say too much, but they're going to be debuting next Saturday. And just saying, you might see someone a little familiar at their debut stream. Just saying. Coda Blinky. Coda Blinky. You might see somebody a little familiar. Just saying. Wait, it's next Saturday? Yes, it is! Right? Oh, the / shout out too, please. Yeah, I think it is. Let me double check. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like a week from now. Let me just go to their server real quick. Yeah, December 2nd. I'm so excited. Sid, did you just try and wink at the camera? I did wink at the camera. What do you mean? There. Short side at Coda Blinky. Yeah. You better believe it. Some little, just little, might make a little cameo in that lore. So keep an eye out. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna try to be there. I have a lot happening next weekend, so I think I'm going to make one of my main goals is to try and be there. I don't know what time Coda is going to be streaming at. I'm sure we'll know this week. I'm sure we'll know. Yeah, I did some fucked up shit right there. So if you're not following Coda yet, go do that. Go do that right now. One of your main goals? Yeah. My main goal is to blow up.
Maybe we should go into one of the rooms.
Want to go into one of the rooms?
Yeah.
What about this?
You guys got Arceus down to half health. I'm gonna let you guys finish that boss battle and then we're gonna wrap up. So we'll just watch until then. Oh no, cat, not again! I do have the Deltarune explosion. Yeah.
Who keeps trying to talk to the walkie-talkie?
Oh, male voice.
Ooh.
I'm here.
I heard that.
He's here.
From the last time I was here?
Hey, bestie.
Listen. When you put your hand on it, it's like something's happening.
Did someone conjure you here, or were you from this location?
Hi, Striker Shark. Welcome in. How are you? Hello.
Do you like having us here to talk to you?
Oh, they're having a combo with the bestie.
Is there something evil on this property?
They're having a combo with the bestie, baby. Good to see another shark. As to you, little shark pal over here. Hell yeah!
Are they safe in the other building?
Is Cal in chat? Robin, chill, bestie. Robin, please. It's your shark? Oh, awesome. I'll have to check that out after stream. I'll have to check that out. Twitch OBS doesn't really make it easy to do that. Hell yeah!
Hey guys, we just are doing Spirit Box and we asked like.
Okay, Robin. Make sure you refresh. I know Twitch has been. I've had an issue with Twitch delays lately, just on like watching streams too. Sharks stick together. They absolutely do. Thank you for the follow so much. Absolutely. Yeah, we got me, and then we have Maury right here. He has a milkshake. Absolutely. Hell yeah!
And we were talking about the ritual tree.
I know that this place has a lot of history, a lot of dark history, and some
weird twisted parts of its past. I really think that this tree thing
Did they not hear that?
has a lot to do with what's going on here. What, Al?
Loud. The ghost is saying you're too loud.
I literally just
Ooh, okay, yes, understandable. I think the stream avatar thing is really weird when it comes to the Twitch extensions, so that's understandable. Don't worry. You can always choose it another time. It doesn't have to be right now. They're gonna be here forever.
a lot to do with its past, and it said past.
Past and then loud as he's saying that.
Dude, this thing is smart. And it's
Oh, that's fair. Maybe, yeah.
What is happening?
Is that a Destiny bond?
Yes.
You guys killed him!
Yeah.
Yo, GG gamers.
So we just set up the med light. It's just a flashlight, and you're gonna ask questions. We've gotten some amazing.
All right, we're about 45 minutes into the video, so you guys just beat the boss, and I said I was gonna wrap up after you guys beat that. So I think we're gonna wrap it up here for the night. I've been streaming for pretty much my normal time, so we're gonna wrap up tonight. It's been good little spooks, got some good stuff there. But congrats on winning that boss battle. If you did want to use those coins for unlocking new sharks or gambling it, feel free to do so. Okie dokie gamers, it's nighttime. They'll do Avatar next time. Yeah, next time I will be streaming tomorrow. So you can always come back tomorrow. Ghost Bread! Very fun to see something when I am here. Hello! Funny enough, I'm wrapping up. Oh, bad timing. Oh no! Yo, stick around for the raid, you guys. Stick around. We're gonna go sending all this love to somebody else. So just wait 1 second, and we're gonna see who we can send all this love to. Give you a shark hug. You too. You too. Oh my God! Jason!
Definitely worth the wait. Here's a little something to show my appreciation.
Brother!
Sharks 20 love.
Jason, what the hell? Yes, Cal? It's tomorrow. I'm just gonna get into that. Jason, you, oh my God. Whoop. Thank you, Kat. Hi, Aki. What's up, Aki? How you doing? Oh my God. Oh, okay. Sounds good, Axolotl. No problem. Oh my God, Jason. Jason, I need to go read what you said. Can we get a big shout out for Orange's Orange, please? Aki, what's up, gamer? Hi, Cotton. I'm doing really good. We're just wrapping up today. We had a really good stream. Jason, you absolutely deserved it. Of course, you did not have to do that, but I huge appreciate you so much, and I'm really, really happy you like it. Glacial did such a good job. Again, Glacial does amazing work, and you guys should support Glacial. That's no question. Aki! You guys should follow Aki. Orange is born. I can do it. It's okay. I can do it. Yeah! Yeah, we got both of them. Perfect! Also, you found your blush? Good! Good! That's important. My pet axolotl. Oh, you have pet axolotls! That's so cute! I love those guys. I love those guys. Cotton, you want to smooch? Okay. I'm trying to wrap up! Oh, Callie, you don't have to pin it. You can just slash announce it. If you're able to. Oh my god! Okay, let me find Cotton for a smooch and then we'll get going here. Aki, it's so good to see you. Ah, uh-huh, uh-huh. Ah! Oh. Ah! What the fuck? I'm on a sugar crash. I'm fucking cash. Maybe I should. Oh my god, Cal, what is happening here? What the fuck? Aki, thank you for the 10 gifteds! What the hell? We have to do a giveaway now. Oh my goodness, we have to do a giveaway now. You guys, I'm trying to leave. Aki! Thank you for the 10 gifteds! Wow! Okay, real quick. Let me give Cotton a smooch. Oh god damn it. No, not a hype train! Please! Shit! You guys! Alright, Cotton, I got you! I got you! I got you! Mwah! Wow! I can never leave! Oh my god! Thank you for the biddies! And thank you for a level 4 hype train as I'm trying to leave. Yo! Everyone shut up. What? Please! Oh god. Oh! You guys, thank you so much. Okay. Oh god, fucking damn it. I'm starting the giveaway. Okay, I'm starting the giveaway. We're in the middle of a hype train. Oh my god. You guys, this is uncalled for. This is uncalled for. Nah, it's fine. Stay. Clearly. I'm starting the giveaway. Thank you guys so much. Oh my god, thank you for the biddies, the subs. Aki, what the hell? Jason, what the hell? Kat, Weiss, thank you. You guys are gonna have 3 minutes to join the sticker bundle giveaway. I give away. Aki! Bro, please! Aki! Oh my god! What the hell? Thank you for the other 10 gifted, Aki. You're so sweet. Please! Oh my god, alright. I'm starting the giveaway. Holy shit. You have 3 minutes to enter. Exclamation giveaway in chat to join the sticker bundle giveaway. Exclamation giveaway. You will be entered in to win. Holy shit. My head hurts. I'm already upside down! Oh my god! Exclamation giveaway, guys! Woo! Oh no! Oh no, please, bro, please. I'm sweating! Oh my god! Hello? My head hurts. I'm getting lightheaded. Aki, please! Please! Oh!
And listen down. Nope, scratch that. Reverse it.
Oh my god, Aki, thank you for the 10! Yeah, it's a level 7! You We have a giveaway running, by the way. If you're not entered in the giveaway, exclamation giveaway. Weiss is amazing. I love that guy so much. Holy shit, you guys. Aki, Weiss, Feline, thank you for the biddies. I'm losing my goddamn mind. Out of my fucking mind. I can't believe you guys. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit! Whoa! Yo! 1 minute! 1 minute for the giveaway! What the hell? What is happening? What is happening? What the fuck is happening? Ah! I'm gonna cry! Stop it! Stop it right now! I have to see who all got one. Coda got one. I see that. 6553 F. Thank you for the 10 as well. What the fuck? Stop it! Stop it right now! Owie! Oh, someone won the giveaway. I gotta go see. Hold on, they're dancing. Hold on, let them vibe. Holy shit! You guys, stop it! Okay, we have a giveaway winner. We have a giveaway winner. Who do we have? No fucking way, it's Aki the winner. Aki, congratulations. You fucking deserve it. Congrats on winning the giveaway. I will DM you, okay? Holy shit! You guys have broken me. I'm fucking broken. I gotta write your name down. Aki, congrats on winning the giveaway, B. Thank you so much for the everything. What the fuck? Chaos. Chaos indeed. Oh my god, my head hurts. My fucking head hurts, dog. We got a level 8 hype train? What the fuck? You guys. What the fuck? This is not okay. Thank you so much. How do I ever repay you? I know, I'm just, oh. Holy shit. Okay, we got like 3 minutes left. The giveaway's done. I'm gonna find somebody to raid while we fucking jam out. Let's get some jams going in chat. Thank you guys so much for this hype train. This was so unexpected. What the hell? I'm like so grateful. I'm so like, whoa, surprise subathon. Yeah, I guess so. Oh, yeah, if anybody wants to join the Discord, absolutely. Get yourselves in there. Sid, I'm drawing a little silly doodle of us. Yes, please. I'm excited. I'm excited. Holy shit, there's a lot of you in here today. Okay, let's go find somebody to raid. Oh my god! Yes, sounds good, Shark. Sounds good, Striker. Sounds good, I'm excited. Woo! Okay, oh my goodness. Am I Avatar? Yes, do it! Fuck yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm sweating, you guys! I'm sweating! Okay, who are we gonna go raid? Fucking hell. Oh! Oh! Who do we send this love to? Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god. Oh, goodness gracious. Where do we go, man? Take a nice break? Bijou, I can't afford to take a break today, okay? I'm streaming again tomorrow. Hey! They got a gift to Striker! Striker, enjoy those emotes. Hell fucking yeah. Hell yeah! Thank you so much for gifting to Striker. Enjoy those subs, B. Enjoy! Alright, I'm looking who's live right now. Holy shit. Holy shit, you guys. Oh, man. Ah! I'm going insane. Alright, we got about a minute left of this hype train. You guys have been fucking insane, dude. It's been insane. Alright, I'm gonna see who's live here. Oh my goodness. Let's go send love to somebody new, hey? Let's go send love to somebody new. I'm gonna look through some channels here and see if there's anybody available tonight. Ooh, a May avatar? Fuck yeah! That should be that. I'm excited to see that. Alright. Alright, guys. What a day. What a day, what a night. Cool. Okay, nobody there. Let's see. I'm looking through some promo channels. I want to try and find someone here. Thank you for the level 8 hype train! Oh my god! I can go to bed now. I can go to sleep now. Thank you guys so much, really. It really means so much to me. What the fuck? What the hell? I'm sweating now. Oh my god. Yes, I get to go relax for the rest of my Sunday. Wow! Thank you guys so much. Alright, I am having a hard time finding somebody to raid, so let me just look around here, okay? Prince, also I just got your DM. Holy shit, those look so good. Weiss, I'm not doing that. Weiss, I'm gonna rain check you for next stream, okay? I'm gonna rain check you for next stream. I do need to get going, okay? I'm gonna rain check you, buddy, okay? I'm gonna rain check you. I'm sorry. I do want to get going here. Rain check, Weiss. Don't worry, I'll write you down there. I'm sorry. I know, I thought it was twice too. I don't know what happened. You mean the next 5 hours? Dude, if I streamed for 5 hours, I would not get any sleep for work tomorrow. I do have to go to work tomorrow, you guys. I know, I'm sorry. I know, I'm sorry. Oh, all right. I want to try and find somebody new to raid. You work. I know. It's unfortunate, isn't it?
Turn it up. Are you in charge of this? Turn it up.
Yeah.
You have to shut this off. Shut them all
We
off.
could. You know what?
Turn your lights in your house off too.
Oh. Oh, my bad. Okay, I'm going to try to find somebody new to raid. Let's find a new face. How about? Let's go send love to somebody new and cool. I don't know where to look, though. It's hard to find. It's hard to see. Let's go see here. I'm going to look around through some promo channels. Give love to somebody. Somebody too. Or we might just go raid Lib, who we're actually collabing with tomorrow. You're really cute. No, you're cute. What the hell? What the hell? Stop it. What the hell? Thank you guys for sticking around. Yeah, stick around. Hold on, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying to find somebody to raid.
A loud round of applause.
Oh! Nice.
Stage appearance ever.
Yeah, stick around for the raid. Stick around. Ooh, you know what? Maybe we'll go raid Athie. You guys want to go raid some Pokemon? Want to go raid into some Pokemon? I don't think we've raided Athie before, but Athie's really cool. I think Athie's really cool. They're playing some Pokemon tonight. How long have they been live? How long have they been live for? Oh, they've only been live for a little bit. Okay, are they shiny hunting or something? Oh, they're just playing the Teal Mask DLC. Okay, let's go raid Athie. So Athie is a binary furry gamer. They're really cute. They got some cute stuff going on over their channel. And they're playing some Pokemon Scarlet tonight, so I think we'll go raid Athie. I've never raided Athie before, so we're just going to use our regular raid message, which is this one. So if you have my emotes, feel free to use the Chomp emote. But if you don't, use the one with the purple hearts, okay? I'll try to be on C. Yeah, so... Oh, you're at MFF? Fun! I hope that's a good time. That sounds like so much fun. Okay, you guys. We're leaving now, for real. Thank you so much for that massive hype train. That was so unexpected. I appreciate you guys so fucking much. So much. Like, holy shit. I will be streaming tomorrow. My next stream is tomorrow, okay? So I will be live here tomorrow with Lib. And we're going to be playing some Raft. It's going to be a very fun time. I will have a brand new schedule out tonight in the Discord, as well as tomorrow on Twitter. So if you're not in the Discord already, get yourselves in there. It's a good time. We watch movies, we do games, we do videos, all that fun stuff in there. It's a very active Discord, okay? Just pre-warning. And if you just want to join the Discord for the emotes, I highly recommend it. We have tons of great emotes, okay? What else? What else? Throne. If you guys want to get anything off my Throne, I will be doing a Throne unboxing near the end of December, at least near the end of my streaming. So keep that in mind, as well as anywhere else you'd like to follow me. All right there, baby. In the meantime, we're going to go raid Athy, who's playing some Pokemon Scarlet and Violet with the new DLC. So we're going to go hang out there, okay? Make sure you give all the same love over there. Make sure you give them a big follow. Follow them, type in their chat, all that good shit. All that good shit. And I believe their pronouns are they, them. So make sure you respect that, okay? I believe so. Yes. Just double checking. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, sounds good, Shark. Yeah, sounds good. I will see it in the Discord. If you post it in the Discord, I will see it 100%. Okay, guys, I will see you guys next time. And by next time, I mean tomorrow. In the meantime, please have a wonderful night. Thank you so much again. I'm so grateful for you guys. I love you guys so much, so much. Never forget that. Never forget that. Thank you for the raids, the biddies, the subs, the follows, the hype train, all that good shit. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Make sure to take care of yourselves and take care of others. And always remember, it is free to be kind. Never forget that. Good night, you guys. And we're going to go over to Athy. Bye. Good night.